హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. హాయ్ అయినా చెప్పొచ్చు కదా. హాయ్ హాయ్ హాయ్. ఇంత ఎనర్జీ పెట్టుకొని ఎందుకు అందరూ చాలా కామ్గా కూర్చున్నారు? ఎంట్రన్స్లో ఎవరైనా చెప్పారా లోపలికి వెళ్ళాక ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడకూడదు, కామ్గా ఉండాలి అని? లేదు కదా. సరే, ఇంకొకసారి హాయ్. వావ్, వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సో హార్టీ వెల్కమ్ టు ద గ్రాండ్ ఈవినింగ్. సో ఈరోజు ఏపీఐటి గ్రెయిన్ రెవల్యూషన్కి అద్భుతంగా ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి మా ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ హృదయపూర్వకంగా సాదర స్వాగత సుమాంజలి. హార్టీ వెల్కమ్. ఐ థింక్ యూ ఆల్ డిజర్వ్స్ అ బిగ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్. మీ అందరి కోసం ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు. సో ఎంత బిజీగా ఉన్నా కూడా ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని సక్సెస్ చేయడానికి మీరందరూ మీ అమూల్యమైన సమయాన్ని కేటాయించి ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినందుకు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి మరొకసారి ఏపీఐటి తరపు నుంచి స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. అండ్ ఇట్ గివ్స్ మీ ఇమ్మెన్స్ ప్లెజర్ టు ఇన్వైట్ everyone here along with our officials, those who are sitting in the front rows. Hearty welcome to you all, sir. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you so much for making this event colorful with your presence. So without any further delay, let's get started our event. So మన ఈవెంట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే కంటే ముందు ఈ రోజు ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి యాజ్ ఎ సెడ్ మా ఏపీఐటి ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్, రైస్ మిల్లర్స్ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి హార్టీ వెల్కమ్ తెలియచేసుకుంటున్నాము. సో ప్రోగ్రామ్ జరగాలి అంటే డెఫినెట్గా మీ అందరి ప్రెజెన్స్తో 100% సక్సెస్ అయిపోయినట్టే. బట్ స్టిల్ ఈరోజు ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా బాగా జరగాలి అని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకున్న వాళ్ళందరూ ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు. ఆల్ రైట్, బట్ ఇలా కాదు. ఐల్ కౌంట్ 10 numbers. I want everybody to join your hands. Ready? Ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Everybody join your hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు కానీ చప్పట్లు తక్కువ వినిపిస్తున్నాయి. 4, 3, 2, 2, 2 and 1. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్. సో మరొకసారి ఈరోజు ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా ఈ ఈవెంట్ని ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసినందుకు ఏపీఐటి వాళ్ళకి వన్స్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ మేకింగ్ మీ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లవ్లీ ఈవెంట్. సో ఈ గ్రెయిన్ రెవల్యూషన్ అనేది జనరల్లీ మీకు తెలిసిందే. మన ఏపీఐటి గురించి మనం స్పెషల్లీ మాట్లాడుకోవాలి అంటే ఒక డెకేడ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా మనం కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో 10 years ఈజ్ డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ అ స్మాల్ టైమ్స్. ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు ఏపీఐటికి. బికాస్ మార్కెట్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నా కూడా అందరినీ దూసుకొని ముందుకు వెళ్ళి అంచెలంచెలుగా ఎదుగుతూ మీ అందరి సపోర్ట్తో 10 సంవత్సరాలు కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాము. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ హ్యూజ్ సపోర్ట్. అండ్ అలాగే ఏపీఐటి అఫ్ కోర్స్ Grain Revolution is a path-breaking technology which is creating a revolutionary transformation in the rice milling industry. So ఇలాంటి ఈవెంట్ని చాలా గ్రాండ్గా ఈరోజు స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాము. సో ఫస్ట్లీ యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ, మనం 10 yearsగా వీ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ది వరల్డ్స్ బెస్ట్ ప్యాడీ పార్బాయిలింగ్ స్పెషలిస్ట్స్. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ప్యాడీ పార్బాయిలింగ్ స్పెషలిస్ట్గా ఉన్నాము. బట్ లాస్ట్ 1 yearగా వీఆర్ ఇంటూ రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ ఆల్సో. సో కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ చెప్తూ ఈ జర్నీ ఇలాగే మీ అందరితో చాలా చాలా అద్భుతంగా జరగాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ, సో అగ్రి ప్రాసెస్ ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ టెక్నాలజీస్కి మరొకసారి గ్రాండ్గా చప్పట్లతో ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియచేసుకుంటూ ఇంకేమాత్రం ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాము ఒక ప్రేయర్తో. సో ఏదైనా ఒక కార్యక్రమం జరగాలి అంటే డెఫినెట్గా మనకున్నటువంటి ఆచారం ఎలాంటి విఘ్నాలు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో జరగకుండా నిర్విఘ్నంగా జరగాలి అని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ ఒక ప్రేయర్తో ఈ లవ్లీ ఈవెంట్ని స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాం.
सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Thank you so much. మీ ప్రెజెన్స్తో అండ్ అలాగే దేవుడి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్తో ఈవెంట్ని స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాము. అండ్ ఈవెంట్ని ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసింది జీ మీడియా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో ఎనీ హిందీ పీపుల్ ఓవర్ హియర్? वाव, दैट्स नाइस. अच्छा, तो आपके लिए तो एक वेलकम बनता है डेफिनेटली, राइट? सो इस खूबसूरत और रंगीन शाम में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एंड आई होप हाउ मेनी लेडीज आर देयर हियर? I could see men power more. Wow, women power, that's nice. Hearty welcome to all the sweet women over here. अच्छा, तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for APIT. All right. So, and now I would like to invite Mr. Harish Garu, BS CHRO APIT, onto the dais. I request sir to welcome the gathering. Can we have Mr. Harish ji onto the dais, please? Ladies and gentlemen, can you have a huge round of applause for Mr. Harish?
Okay, so namaskaram and very warm welcome to each and every one of you here. I would stand here with a great pleasure and I see ocean of crowd here. So this shows the kind of trust and the confidence what we have built in the market. And of course, without your partnership with APIT, I don't think so, the kind of success what we have been seeing would have been really, really possible. So saying that, I would also like to take this opportunity to, welcome all the dignitaries here who have come in for the event, and of course, our rice millers from Andhra and Telangana. Thank you very much. It's really nice. It's really nice. Okay, so today I would like to say this is just not an event. This is just not an event for APIT. This is another day which we are going to mark in our calendar, saying that we are kick-starting a grain revolution in the rice industry. I feel very proud to say that. Of course, it's a partnership together. We are going to go through this journey a very long, very long to go. And we will be very, very successful. Of course, India has been a heartland, for the rice, feeding just not its own population, but also sending out to the external world. Globally, we are, the number one exporters, I would say proudly, Bharat being, such a rice producer. And today, the credit, it's all to you, the rice millers who've been doing a fantastic work. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. And also, I would request rice millers, today we have come here. It just, we are saying it's just a change what we are looking at. At the crossroads, today it's a great opportunity for us. It's a great opportunity, and saying very loud and clear, we have to partner for the future. But, of course, we have to lead in India for globally. That's where APIT is looking for a global launch, saying that we are here with the kind of technology and with the kind of, the state of art machines, what we can produce and give it to you people, partner along with you so that we can see a very, very big success. All right, so saying that the revolution starts here today. Of course, we have a lot of dignitaries who are going to come on stage, who are going to share their valuable thoughts, inputs, and let's also hear from them, what's their thoughts. How is that we can go through this journey to get to the success? Okay, so saying that, I would like to again thank you all for really, coming in. Today evening, it's going to be a lot of surprises and a lot of information is going to be shared. And of course, we would also like to hear from you. Today evening, we also have a cocktail dinner. So that's a great opportunity for us to meet up and exchange our thoughts. Okay, so hearty welcome to each one of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harish Garu. Thank you. That was a lovely words. So Harish Garu చెప్పినట్టు వీఆర్ లైక్ కేవలం ఇండియాలోనే కాదు, గ్లోబల్లీ మనం టాప్ పొజిషన్లోకి వెళ్తున్నాము, టాప్ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నాము. సో లెట్స్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఏపీఐటి. బట్ డెఫినెట్గా సార్ అన్నట్టు మీ అందరి సపోర్ట్ లేకుండా ఇది జరగదు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఈ సపోర్ట్ని ఇలాగే ఎప్పటికీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. అండ్ లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్, గెట్ రెడీ. ఈరోజు యు ఆర్ గోనా విట్నెస్ ది అమేజింగ్ మెషిన్స్. సో అది కూడా ఏఐ పవర్డ్ రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ మెషిన్స్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు గ్రాండ్ లాంచ్ మనం చేసుకోబోతున్నాము ఇంకొద్దిసేపట్లో. బట్ బిఫోర్ దాట్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ our leadership team on to the dais. సో ఎవరైతే ఏపీఐటీని స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఇంతవరకు ఈ పొజిషన్ వరకు తీసుకొచ్చారో అలాంటి గ్రేట్ లీడర్షిప్ టీమ్ని స్టేజ్ మీదకి ఇన్వైట్ చేసేద్దాము టు ఫెలిసిటేట్ అవర్ గెస్ట్స్. ఈరోజు ఎవరైతే మనకి ఇక్కడ అతిరథ మహారథులు విచ్చేసారో గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్స్, వాళ్ళందరినీ స్టేజ్ మీదకి ఇన్వైట్ చేద్దాం. బట్ బిఫోర్ దాట్ ఐ టేక్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు వెల్కమ్ అవర్ లీడర్షిప్ టీమ్ ఆన్ టు ద డయస్. లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్, కెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ హ్యూజ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్ టు మిస్టర్ Ravindranath Ramaya Garu, Chairman APIT, on to the dais, please. Hearty welcome, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me invite our founder and MD APIT, none other than Mr. Shashi Kumar Timmaya Garu, on to the dais with huge round of applause. సో ఒకరి పవర్ఫుల్ థాట్ వల్ల ఈరోజు ఏపీఐటి ఇంత అభివృద్ధి చెందింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ అండ్ హార్టీ వెల్కమ్. అండ్ నౌ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ మిస్టర్ రాజేంద్రన్ జోగి గారు, వైస్ చైర్మన్ ఏపీఐటి, ఆన్ టు ద డైస్. అండ్ నౌ ఐ ఇన్వైట్ మిస్టర్ Sridhar Nagalapur Garu, Technical Director APIT, on to the dais. So these are the 4 strongest pillars of APIT. Let's give a huge round of applause. Andaru okkar gattiga cheppatlu. And here I should mention that mana chairman sir and vice chairman sir evaraithe unnaro, like Ravindranath Ramaya Garu and alage Rajendran Jogi Garu, they are not only the mentors for APIT team, but also they are the mentors for Shashi Kumar Garu and Sridhar Garu. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Ravindranath Garki and alage Rajendran Garki. And special thanks to Shashi Kumar Garu, the real hero, the man behind this great revolution ane cheppukovali. సో వీళ్ళందరికీ హార్టీ వెల్కమ్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాము. సో హార్టీ వెల్కమ్ సార్. వాల్యూమ్ డౌన్. ఆల్ రైట్. Now, ladies and gentlemen, ఈ ఈవెంట్ని గ్రాండ్ సక్సెస్ చేయడానికి హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్స్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్ ఫర్ టేకింగ్ అవుట్ యువర్ వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్ టైమ్. స్పెషల్లీ మా డిగ్నిటరీస్ అందరినీ సాధారణంగా స్టేజ్ మీదకి ఆహ్వానించేద్దాము. సో వారిని ఫెలిసిటేట్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన బాధ్యత మనకి ఎంతైనా ఉంది. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ our dignitaries onto the dais. So please join your hands for Mr. Jayesh Ranjan Garu, IAS Principal Secretary, Government of Telangana, onto the dais, please. Welcome. Okay. Moving on to the next dignitaries. I would like to request Dr. Kalidindi N. Satyanarayan Garu, Director, IIT Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, onto the dais. Let's give a huge round of applause. సో ఐఐటి తిరుపతిగా వారు ఎన్ని సేవలను అందించారో మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. హార్టీ వెల్కమ్ సార్. సో వీరిని ఫెలిసిటేట్ చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Please be seated, sir. Thank you so much for your presence, sir. And now I take this opportunity to invite Professor V. Palanimuthu Garu, Director, NIF TEM, Tanjavur. So let's give a huge round of applause and let's invite on to the dais. Hearty welcome, sir. So today we all are fortunate and honored to have all this amazing team, amazing officials. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And now I would like to invite Professor KSMS Raghavarao Garu, Professor IIT Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, onto the dais. With huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. Thank you. And ఇప్పుడు మీ అందరి కరతాళ ధ్వనుల మధ్య లెట్స్ ఇన్వైట్ శ్రీ గంపా నాగేందర్ గారు, ప్రెసిడెంట్ తెలంగాణ రైస్ మిల్లర్స్ అసోసియేషన్, ఆన్ టు ద డయస్. వారిని సాదరంగా వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానించేద్దాము. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And now I would like to invite onto the dais Mr. T. Devendra Reddy Garu, President, South India Rice Millers Association, onto the dais. Thank you so much, sir. Now I'd like to invite Vaddi Mohan Reddy Garu, Secretary, Telangana Rice Millers Association. వారిని సాదరంగా వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your presence. And వేదిక మీద ఉన్నటువంటి మా స్ట్రాంగ్ పిల్లర్స్, రియల్ హీరోస్ అయినటువంటి మా లీడర్షిప్ అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ప్లీజ్ బీ సీటెడ్ సార్. And once again, I request everybody, please give a huge round of applause to our dignitaries. ఈ రోజు వారు ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేశారు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని సక్సెస్ చేయడానికి. సో విచ్చేసిన అతిరథ మహారథులందరి కోసం ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్. ఆల్ రైట్, సో మా రైస్ మిల్లర్స్ గురించి మేము స్పెషల్లీ చెప్పక్కర్లేదు. మా వెంటే ఉండి మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. నేను చెప్పినట్టు ఆల్రెడీ ఈరోజు ఈ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నామంటే డెఫినెట్గా మీ అందరి సపోర్ట్ ఎంతగానో ఉంది. మీకు మాటల్లో కేవలం మేము థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పలేము. సో వీ హ్యావ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వీడియో ఫర్ యూ ఆల్. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ our team to play Thanksgiving Rice Millers AV.
The world today is home to nearly 7.5 billion people, and for almost half of humanity, rice is life. Rice is not just food, it is a divine gift to mankind, a blessing from God Himself. But every grain of rice has a journey. Farmers sow the seeds of hope, nurturing them with sweat and sacrifice. They gifted us the green revolution. Yet, the journey does not end there, because the grain that is born in the soil is crafted, protected, and perfected by you, the rice millers. Rice processing is no less than rocket science. From a gram of paddy to the finest milligram of rice, delivered without damage, preserving nutrition, preserving life. This is not just processing. It is human building, nation building, global building. We at APIT acknowledge, appreciate, and bow down to your great service to mankind. You are the real Annadatta. Your entrepreneurial adventure is full of risk, yet you serve humanity without fear. We respect you. We salute you. You are eradicating hunger from the world. You are uniting families in happy hours at joyful meals. You are the silent protectors of health, wealth, and humanity. To us, you are not less than God. You are everything for us.
त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव
Thank you for your service. Thank you for leading the grain revolution.
వావ్, మా రైస్ మిల్లర్స్కి ఎంత థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పినా తక్కువే. బికాస్ ఈరోజు ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ చాలా ఆనందంగా, చాలా హెల్తీగా ఉన్నారు అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ దట్స్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆల్. సో మీ అందరి కోసం ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్. సో మాటల్లో థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పినా సరిపోలేదు, వీడియో చూపించి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పినా సరిపోలేదు, ఇంకా మీకు థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పడానికి ఒక స్పెషల్ ఎల్ఈడి యాక్ట్తో మేము థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నాం. సో హియర్ వీ గో. ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు ఇన్వైట్ ఆర్ పర్ఫార్మర్స్ ఆన్ టు ద డయాస్ to thank our rice millers with this beautiful LED act.
Guardians of grain. Protectors of nation. Turning grains into human health. No family sleeps hungry. Thanks to you.
Are you ready for the bass?
Driving the grain revolution. Powering the nation. Every grain tells your story. Silent warriors of national progress. Polishing grains, perfecting generations. From farmers' dreams to consumers' plates. Leading the grain revolution to global glory. Harvesting hope, health, and prosperity. We salute all the rice millers.
How did you like their performance? नच्चिंदा? अच्छा लगा तो उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. And once again, thanks to all our rice millers and ladies and gentlemen. I think if anyone is looking to set up an excellent rice mill, ensuring quality with consistent profitability, then here it is. APIT is the one-stop shop solution for you all. So do utilize this great opportunity. So rice millers andarki marakkasari hrudayapurvakanga dhanyavadalu teliyacheskunటూ moving on to the next session. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look of the corporate video AV of our APIT. So APIT ki sambandhinchinatvanti oka corporate video ni chuseddamu. Can we have the video please?
APIT, the powerhouse of rice technology. Our high-tech facility is designed to deliver excellence, equipped with world-class manufacturing systems and precision engineering that ensure efficiency, reliability, and unmatched quality.
APIT is a powerhouse of rice technology. APIT's vision is to create a grain revolution, means enhancing the grain efficiency with the help of advanced innovative technology.
At APIT, we follow customer-centric approach wherein we adopt artificial intelligence and machine learning to facilitate our millers to serve their customers in a better way.
We at APIT have designed and developed rice milling products which are revolutionary, first time in the globe.
As a Chief Technological Director at APIT, I take immense pride in steering our efforts across engineering projects, after sales and research and development.
Culture at APIT, we always believe in giving a proper feedback, recognizing, and we also have developed a systems as self-assessment performance review system, and also which is being linked to the performance pay, and we always look forward for continuous growth.
For the last year, our rice milling and parboiling units have undergone a lot of transformation in terms of technology, in terms of production, in terms of way in which we are handling this. So optimizing efficiencies, etc. So just a brief on the increasing milling capacity through automation and upgraded machine. Now we are in a status of a position where we can supply to the market at the demand at which it is required.
Over the past fiscal year, APIT has demonstrated a resilient financial growth driven by disciplined execution and cost optimization and strategic investment. Despite external headwinds, we have maintained strong operational margins, improved our revenue, and enhanced stakeholder values. Our financial vision, the next 12 to 24 months present exciting opportunities. Our roadmap includes scaling up our presence in the international markets, investing further in R&D and digital infrastructure, driving shareholder returns through responsible capital deployed.
At APIT, efficient planning is the foundation of our operational success. As the planning manager, I have witnessed firsthand how a structured forward-thinking approach to operations enable us to meet customer demands in consistency, speed and quality.
At APIT company, our supply chain function has undergone significant transformation in recent years, driven by a commitment to efficiency, transparency and customer satisfaction. As the head of supply chain management, I am proud to share the measurable improvements we have implemented across our operations.
The basic vision of APIT is to create a very good health for every grain and create wealth for every rice miller.
Every machine we build is backed by rigorous testing and research. Our in-house laboratories ensure every product meets international quality standards before it reaches our customers.
As a grain science expert at APIT, I have had the opportunity to closely observe and contribute to how scientific innovations and advanced technologies are seamlessly integrated into our grain handling, processing and milling operations. Our commitment to applying grain science principles with precision has transformed the way we deliver values to our customers.
With a dedicated R&D division, we continuously push the boundaries of rice processing, integrating AI, automation, and precision engineering to redefine industry standards.
At APIT, we are here for doing second revolution, which is to take rice milling operations to the next realm of digitization, automation to enhance productivity and profitability for the millers.
At APIT, our commitment to innovation is unwavering, and this is clearly reflected in our approach to automation. As the head of automation, I have had the privilege of leading initiative that integrate the latest technological advancements like be it Industry 4.0 frameworks, smart sensors, AI-driven process optimization, or IoT-enabled machinery into our operations.
At APIT, our journey toward digital excellence has been both strategic and transformative. Over the past few years, we have invested heavily in digital infrastructure, automation, and data-driven decision-making, enabling us to elevate our operational efficiency, customer engagement, and internal collaboration to reach new heights.
Our technology empowers farmers, millers, and exporters across the globe, helping them deliver premium quality rice to millions of tables every day.
Our vision is for global good to preserve the nutrition in the rice grains through our cutting-edge technologies.
And we are very happy that APIT is the first generation company in the rice technology domain that we are using advanced digital science technology, and we are integrating with grain science, thermal science, and all other science domains which will help in excellent engineering, and it will yield the best grain output in terms of production and in terms of quality.
The future of milling is here. Come harness the power of digital technology.
Wow, that was our APIT. I think let's give a huge round of applause because over a decade, why APIT is in top position అనేది ఇప్పుడు మనకి చాలా క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది. బికాస్ కొత్త కొత్త ఇన్నోవేషన్స్తో యూనిక్ డిఫరెంట్గా, అంటే మనకి తెలుసు వరల్డ్ వైడ్గా అండ్ మన ఇండియాలో చాలా చాలా డిఫరెంట్ కంపెనీస్ ఉన్నాయి. కాకపోతే మనకి ఏపీఐటీలో ఉన్న స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటి అంటే చాలా ప్రోడక్ట్స్ యూనిక్గా ఉంటాయి అండ్ ది బెస్ట్ సర్వీస్. దాంతోపాటు ఇప్పుడు మీ అందరి కోసం ఏఐ పవర్డ్ రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ మెషిన్స్ కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. సో డెఫినెట్గా అంటే హెల్త్కైనా వెల్త్ గురించి అయినా చూసుకునే వాళ్ళు డెఫినెట్గా ఏపీఐటీని ఫాలో అయిపోవచ్చు బ్లైండ్గా బికాస్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ అన్ ఎక్సలెంట్ బ్రాండ్ వాల్యూ. సో లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంట్మెన్, ఐ థింక్ వన్స్ అగైన్ లెట్స్ గివ్ అ హ్యూజ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్ టు ఏపీఐటీ. ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు. ఆల్ రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్. అండ్ నౌ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ Mr. Rajendran Jogi Garu, Vice Chairman APIT, to come on to the dais for the keynote speech. Let's give a huge round of applause for sir. Hearty welcome, sir.
Distinguished guests, esteemed member of rice mill community who have come from all over India and abroad, and my fellow members, participants, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. It's a pleasure to be here with you on this eventful day. For APIT is one of the greatest and joyful moment where we wanted to share with you all our accomplishments. That's one of our key reasons we are all gathered here today. So let me begin with our vision, mission statements. You know, every company has vision and mission statements, so we also have one. But what we have emphasized in our vision statement is to provide a quality and degree of nutritional value to be retained in the rice produced in the mill in the hands of customers who can then decide based on his market needs what kind of quality to be produced. This is the core of our vision. Based on this, the whole invention took place. I do not want to elaborate much on this subject as this is going to be the major discussion point in the forthcoming session. We are proud to announce that we at APIT have indigenously designed and developed rice milling products which are very unique, revolutionary, and getting launched for the first time ever globally. We assure you that end of the session, end of all our presentations, you all will realize how these products are not only revolutionary, but also how it's going to change landscape of rice milling industry in a very positive way when adapted to this newer technology. Just to give you a context on how rice milling industry have evolved over a period of time, you all know rice milling industry worldwide have seen 2 generations of machines. The first revolution, which has started in the year 1950 till 1980, is about 3 decades. Basically, the mechanization of machines from earlier manual process, which most of you are aware, the main invention being the huller. The name of the huller is taken from that Engelberger who has invented this machine. Basically, the first revolution is basically a single stage which has lasted for 3 decades. The second revolution happened from 1980 till 2024 with advanced mechanization, semi-automation, and semi-digitization at some machine and plant level where the level of automations were not really integrated. So such data obtained from the mill were not really useful to the customers to take any business decisions. This is basically a multi-stage flow which lasted for about 4 decades. In the same period, under the umbrella of second revolution engine, Mr. Ravindranath was here and myself founded a company called APIT Machinery Pvt, which we started in the year 1998, lasted till 2022, where we have modernized most of the rice mill in India. Close to about 14,000 rice mills we have modernized in the span of 24 years. Now, having done that, after 3 years, we left Miltech and we thought, instead of reinventing the wheel again, we joined hands with APIT and wanted to create something different. The third revolution, what APIT is launching from this year, is a very unique and has a very advanced technology. Intentionally, I have not shown any machines here getting launched today, as I wanted that honor to be given to Shashi Kumar, who is going to announce, launch, and give explanation, which is the most sophisticated machine on this industry globally. So what we are offering differently, we took the challenge, we focus on addressing all customer pain points in milling process based on our past experiences, where the customer will have complete transparency and access in process control, both at machine and plant level, so as to say, a miller will have all the control of operation in his fingertips, which helps them to maneuver all process and quality requirements at mill level. The level of automations, what we implement today, will enable the customer to take a real-time insights from the machines and take informed decisions. Now let me tell you how this happened and how could we be able to make this possible. We are proud to say that we could be able to achieve this because of many reasons, one of them being our R&D efforts. The reason one, we have the best domain knowledge today and talent available in our R&D department, where we have been working on this project for a couple of years. We have close to about 20 R&D professionals working on this project from various domains. Some of our engineers are from IIT and IISc, also professionals from milling industries, having decades of experience on machine building and automation. This mix of talents have made a huge difference to us to build this technology in a short period of time. We also do have a joint research program on projects and collaboration with academia like CFTRI Mysore, NIFTM Tanjore, and student engagement program from renowned university like IIT and other bodies, where we have been working on several projects to come up with this technology. We also have a process monitoring control room at APIT, where we can completely monitor, control each and every process in a rice mill, which helps us to further develop, improvise, and provide personalized solution for each and every rice mill, apart from online troubleshooting. This is one of our major R&D initiative, which further helps us and customers to reduce downtime and improve the productivity in the rice mill. We are proud to say that we have the state-of-the-art infrastructure in R&D. We use simulation, modeling, and analytical tools, softwares like 3D modeling, machine learning, artificial intelligence tools, which are widely deployed in development of all these machines. Also, we are proud to share that through our R&D efforts, we have obtained many IPRs, intellectual property rights. The number of patents and the number of copyrights and the number of machine designs, so far we have obtained is 14 numbers. And we have many more in the pipeline to come. Now let me talk about our APIT capability in manufacturing. APIT manufacturing process is built on a foundation of quality, precision, and attention to detail. Our manufacturing unit situated at Dodaballapur, Bangalore, is a cutting-edge facility where we have advanced high-precision machines for both fabrication and machine components. We have the latest laser cutting machines and press brakes, CNC machine shop where we have CNC turning centers, HBM, HMC, the state-of-the-art infrastructure. APIT machine assembly line is a linear flow, what you see in the picture now, where we follow lean manufacturing concept, which is very highly efficient organized process. For example, when we get an order from a customer for entire rice mill, right from pre-cleaner to packing, it consists of about 12 machines. So what we'll do, we'll feed the machines in the morning, all the 12 machines, and we'll be able to complete the entire 12 machines on the same day. That means 24 hours we'll be able to complete the and supply the machines in 24 hours. That is the kind of capability we have built it in this industry today. Our quality control department and system, what we adopt as very stringent process, both at the time of component and assembly level, to ensure quality products are delivered to our customers without any hitch. To serve our customers on timely manner, our after-sales department commits and provide response and resolution time within 24 hours for any complaints, thereby raising the bar in the industry on our after-sales support and in this industry. Our engineering capabilities, not to mention, were proven to be the best in the industry, where we have taken up many turnkey projects, both in India and abroad, in a very large scale, and completed projects on time. We have close to about 30 professionals in our engineering team who are taking care of this. We assure you that today, at management level, this organization is being run by people who have decades of experience in this industry, who knows the pulse of every rice miller needs and requirements. Working with you all together, we can make a world of difference to the rice milling industry. As we're doing global product launch today, I would like to share with you that we have already developed tested and validated machines for both 5 TPH and 10 TPH lines, which are commercially available from today. For entire end-to-end rice solutions in complete form, including engineering, machine and plant level automations based on customer requirements. And we are also happy to announce that we will be coming up with 15 TPH and 20 TPH lines very shortly. So the future of rice milling is here. Please come, harness the power of digital technology for the benefit of rice milling ecosystem, and APIT is here to work with you all to make the revolution in this industry and serve you better. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Rajendra Jogi Garu. Thank you so much. All right, it's time to enjoy a lovely LED act, which is APIT Powerhouse of Tech LED act. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a request. So please do not record. అంటే మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు లైఫ్లో ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది. మీరు రికార్డింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఫోన్లో ఉండిపోతున్నారు. ఎనీవేస్ విల్ బి సెండింగ్ ద వీడియోస్ టు యూ ఆల్. సో ఈ యాక్ట్స్ అన్నీ మేము మీకు వీడియోస్ పంపిస్తాము. బట్ నౌ వీ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ టు ఎంజాయ్, బికాస్ ఇది లైఫ్లో జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి లైఫ్గా చూస్తే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది రాదర్ వాచింగ్ ఇన్ మొబైల్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్. సో హియర్ వి గో.
$7.5 billion people live on this planet, and 50% of them have chosen rice as their staple food. This is not just farming. It is the intelligence of soil, water, and weather that creates the grain. Today, farming alone is not enough. We must shape the grain with the power of nutrition by preservation. For 2 centuries, mankind created technologies to power this grain. We respect all the scientists, engineers, and companies across nations. Yet rice was still missing something: the power of nutrition by preservation. Now the 21st century faces uncertainty. Humanity is threatened by food safety and security. But this century is also full of possibilities. Digital technology is transforming our world. And now, rice processing too has entered this digital revolution. We at APIT are leading this transformation from the front. We are changing the way paddy is processed. We are changing the way rice is processed. For us, I means intelligence. We have acquired many intelligences: soil, water, weather, harvest, procurement, process, milling, cooking, nutrition, consumer. Our innovation integrates digital science with grain science, thermal science, and nutrition science. We created technologies to shape the grain, to empower efficiency, and to provide health to mankind.
ఎంతమందికి నచ్చింది? Obviously, right? So I think they also deserves a big round of applause, our performers. Thank you so much. So before inviting a great personality onto the dais, ladies and gentlemen, we recognize the presence of Mr. Raghava Kashyapa garu. So, yes, sir is here. So let's give a huge round of applause to Raghava Kashyapa garu, who is the founder and CEO of Qualitas Technologies, where he leads innovation in AI-powered machine vision. After completing his MS in Computer Science from Washington State University, he spent several years in Seattle working on cutting-edge software before returning to India in 2011 with a clear mission. And that mission is to build world-class technology in India and take it to the global stage. Sir, thank you so much for collaborating with APIT. Let's give a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the man with a great vision, the man with great values. So, ఎందరికో ఆదర్శమూర్తులు వారు. సో అలాంటి పర్సనాలిటీని స్టేజ్ మీదకి ఇన్వైట్ చేసేస్తున్నాము. ఏపీఐటీని సృష్టించి ఈరోజు ఇంత టాప్ పొజిషన్లో ఉండడానికి కారణమైనటువంటి వారు నన్ అదర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఫౌండర్ అండ్ ఎండి ఏపీఐటీ శశి కుమార్ తిమ్మయ్య గారిని సాదరంగా వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానించేద్దాము విత్ ఎ గ్రేట్ అప్లాస్.
నమస్తే తెలంగాణ, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. రియలీ నేను ఇక్కడ చూస్తూ ఉంటే నాకు చాలా ఆనందమవుతూ ఉంది. నా లైఫ్లో నేను ఎప్పుడూ అనుకోలేదు నేను ఒక 500 to 600 రైస్ మిల్లర్స్తో నిజంగా ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఒక కన్వర్జేషన్ చేస్తాను, మీతో మాట్లాడతాను, ఇంత ఒక పెద్ద ఒక ఈవెంట్ చేస్తాను అని రియలీ నేను లైఫ్లో అనుకోలేదు. ప్రాబబిలీ ఇది కావాలంటే ఆ దేవుడు, ఆ రైస్, నాకు రైస్ మీదే ఉన్న ప్రేమ, రైస్ మీద ఉండే అట్లా ఒక భక్తి ఇప్పుడు నన్ను ఇక్కడి వరకు తోడుకొని వచ్చింది అని చెప్తే అది నిజంగా తప్పలేదు. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద ఇండియా అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఫ్రమ్ పెరు, మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ అండ్ బంగ్లాదేశ్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ కమ్ అండ్ నైజీరియా ఇంకా ఒక ఇద్దరు వచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ presence here. Really APIT is blessed. ఈ ఒక సెషన్ చాలా ఎక్సైటింగ్గా ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డే we are waited from the long time. Please, I need your patience. సో ఇప్పుడు మనము లాస్ట్ ఒక యాక్ట్ చూసాము. ఆ యాక్ట్లో ఏపీఐటి ది పవర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ రైస్ టెక్నాలజీ అని మేము ఒక లోగో కొట్టుకున్నాం. నేను దాన్ని కన్విన్స్ చేయాలి మిమ్మల్ని. 100% ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. We are the powerhouse of rice technology. How? ఎలా? నేనే నా కోసం చెప్పుకుంటే శశి గొప్ప, శశి అంతా ఇంత అంటే దట్స్ వెరీ రాంగ్. మీరు చెప్పాలి. So today I will going to submit few facts that probably after this show you will going to definitely decide who is the powerhouse of the real rice technology. And thank you for coming this grain revolution. What is grain revolution? Today, innovation, health, wealth. 3 subjects మీద నా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత స్మాల్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అంతే, నేను మీకు బోర్ కొట్టిపోయాను. ఇన్నోవేషన్, హెల్త్, వెల్త్. ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఫర్ హెల్త్, ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఫర్ వెల్త్ అంటే మా ఒక ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఎవ్రీ రైస్ గ్రెయిన్కి హెల్త్ ఇచ్చేట్లా ఇన్నోవేషన్, ఎవ్రీ రైస్ కన్జ్యూమర్కి హెల్త్ ఇచ్చేట్లా ఇన్నోవేషన్. మా ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఎవ్రీ రైస్ మిల్లర్కి వెల్త్ ఇచ్చేట్లా ఇన్నోవేషన్. అండ్ ఎవ్రీ రైస్ గ్రెయిన్ will create wealth for my rice miller. That is the innovation what APIT is going to do, and it's keep on doing since from last 9 years. మనము మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రెయిన్ రెవల్యూషన్ చెప్పాము. వాట్ ఈస్ ది మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రెయిన్ రెవల్యూషన్? గ్రెయిన్ రెవల్యూషన్ అంటే ఎవ్రీ గ్రెయిన్, ఆ గ్రెయిన్లో ఉండే ఎఫిషియన్సీని మనం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలి ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రిషన్, ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ కమర్షియల్ వాల్యూ. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ గ్రెయిన్ రెవల్యూషన్. మనము everyone knows that in this country has witnessed green revolution, but also a grain revolution and green revolution is two faces of a single coin. Without green revolution no meaning. Without green revolution cannot achieve. That is the meaning of grain revolution. Now, చాలా మంది అడిగారు మమ్మల్ని, ఎందుకు మీరు తెలంగాణలో చేస్తున్నారు? వాట్ ఈస్ ది స్పెషాలిటీ? తెలంగాణ ఈజ్ ద మోస్ట్ పవర్ఫుల్లీ ఎమర్జింగ్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ రైస్ ప్రొడక్షన్, అండ్ సెల్యూట్ టు ఆల్ ద రైస్ మిల్లర్స్, ఫార్మర్స్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ. మన రైత బంధువులకి అందరికీ ఒక పెద్ద సెల్యూట్, బికాస్ దిస్ స్టేట్ హ్యాస్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఏ పవర్ఫుల్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్ ఇయర్. రియలీ in terms of growth, it's really tremendous. That is why we decided that grain revolution event should be conducted in Telangana. And again I told you that the grain revolution is happened from rice millers. Danike mana first video lo mem cheppamu, we said thanks to all the rice millers, you created a grain revolution, not APIT is created. Every rice miller is a grain revolutionary. Meeku మా APIT తరపున ఇంకొకత నమస్కారం. యాక్చువల్లీ APIT ఈజ్ ది పవర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ. దాన్ని నేను జస్టిఫై చేసుకుంటున్నా. APIT పవర్ హౌస్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ దాంట్లో we adopted so many research papers and so many leaves from these institutions, that is University of Tokyo, and I love really CFTRI maximum, and IIT Kharagpur, and Louisiana State University, and American Association for Cereal Chemistry, and IRI. But I have not mentioned IIT Tirupati and NIFTEM, because why, the reason I will tell you. Okay, really we got lot of help from IIT Tirupati and NIFTEM, are not mentioned because these institutions have made us most powerful rice technology. And also the next slide will be little bit maybe controversial, but we respect our competitors and we respect our innovators. The last 150 years the rice technology has innovated. We respect Satake for the early innovation. We respect Schule for their early innovation. We respect really Buehler for their excellent engineering touch. We really respect them. And in Indian rice industry, the three companies from beginning to end, they have transformed the industry. That is G.G. Dandekar, Binny, and the great Miltech, where I learned A to Z from rice. Miltech has transformed Indian rice industry. We respect all of them, and thanks to the initial contributors which for the grain revolution. Saying this, there was a problem. There's a challenge. Why I'm telling this? Unfortunately, the last slide, all the rice milling technology companies, they focused only on the glamour part of the rice to bring the commercial value for your rice millers. If you look at whatever the names I told, they never concentrated on the paddy processing. They never focused on how to preserve the nutrition. They never focused on what will be the end user health if nutrition misses. This is a diverse country. We have a different kind of a rice varieties they will be used. The raw rice, steam rice, parboiled rice. In parboiled rice, Tamil Nadu people uses different parboiled rice, West Bengal people uses different parboiled rice, and also Orissa people uses different parboiled rice, and Nagpur IR64 is a very, very different version, and in our Kakinada also very different parboiled. And Kerala version, it's a very, very different. So we have a different. These companies, whichever I shown last video, they have not really focused on how to preserve the nutrition, what is the real contribution as a rice miller or a rice mill technology towards the end consumer. That was a challenge. That's what my vice chairman and my mentor Rajendra sir was telling. The vision of APIT is preserve the nutrition in the rice grain by providing all the glamour. So here we are, APIT, will going to characterize the rice grain by glamour and character. The first character is the nutrition. Apart from that, all the glamour, whatever the glossiness you want, whatever the the translucency index you want, whatever the whiteness index you want, we can provide such kind of a beautiful machines, such kind of a transformative machines that today we are launching. That's why I say we are the powerhouse of rice technology. Saying this is the challenge has made APIT to emerge. Myself and Sridhar, we were thinking what direction we have when we started in 2016. These are all the outlines we made, and first what we did is that we studied the process. Then we studied the paddy first. If you look at all the competitors of APIT, everyone started rice. And everyone, they tried to remove the shell of the rice, and their innovation, definitely they given a commercial value for you. That's why we are here. I appreciate them. But APIT is the only company we started in a right way. Today I'm saying, we started with a paddy, and now after 10 years, we are now launching machines for rice. How many people you say that we are right? Are we right or not? Yes. And by studying this everything, we are the first people to see the opportunity that nobody has integrated digital science in rice industry. If digital science means just a plant automation, or a plant automation was 2016 is the biggest thing. We, APIT, we studied the process. We found out that how we can integrate digital science to every science domain in the rice industry. That was our achievement. Now, with this, we have to tell achievement. We are the first company to classify the rice into 6 colors. Before 2006, you can verify any Google, any dictionary that nobody has classified rice into super white, white, cream, pale yellow, amber yellow, and golden yellow. We are the first people. And we are the first people that we have a technology that it can predict the soaking time. So today, if I will tell you 3 months old IR64 paddy, if it is the age of, around 3 months and moisture having 14% moisture, what is the soaking time takes? No, we don't know. We ask operator, okay, Anna, enchepu, 8 gantalu arabetra, no problem. But we have a technology that can predict, that can alarm. This will take only 6 hours, 30 minutes, 6 hours, 45 minutes. We are the first people. And we are the first people to, innovate the gel cook technology. And in India, as an Indian company, we APIT is the first company to launch zero friction dryer. That will really reduce the broken for minimum 2%. And so we are the first people to write drying algorithm that will connect your weather, your product temperature, your steam temperature, and your moisture. These are all achievements, great achievements that industry, and we give visibility. We not only tell. 2016 before, everyone, when we launched automation in parboiling, everyone has laughed. They told, sensor, sensor 3 dinalu vachaldra, 4 dinalu vacheldu, idanta heat, humidity. No. Today we are giving, our patented process visibilities, we are giving everywhere, every point we are giving visualization. And we are giving color index. And we are giving drying index. We are giving hardness index. What is hardness index? I will tell you, that's the most sophisticated and very important subject for all the rice millers. Today, people are ignoring. These are all the achievements. And APIT, always we used to innovate, investment. But I didn't make money. My boss used to scold me. You guys did an innovation, but you not made money. Yes, definitely we can't make money when we're investing every money into innovation. Really. So, these are all the reasons. Now, we design the rice mills with digital technology, and this along with, it's a thermal food processing that today we are really architected wonderful machines. As our Rajendran sir told, our machines are phenomenal. In a couple of minutes, you will going to see the machines, okay? So, that's why I say we are the powerhouse of rice technology. That's how I can convince. And now, this is the digital technology, and we have used digital technology. Every whitener, today, you are seeing the whiteness, and how we will tell that, ee rice bagundi, ee rice silky undi, ee rice silky ledu, glossy undi, glossy ledu. We don't have any measurement, but we, APIT, we can give you 24/7 as long as machine runs. What is the whiteness index and what is the translucency index? And also, we found very, very interesting subject in terms of water jet polisher that I will going to tell you after launch of that machine. So, many people says, what is this hi-fi dryer? What is this I? Yes, I means I love I because it's innovation or intelligent. But really, yes, I'm a big fan of Steve Jobs. But apart from that, we always say that today we're going to launch i5 rice mills, that from the day one, myself and Sridhar and all the team of my R&D, we given a definition for what is i5 or I, that is innovative, informative, interactive, and intelligence, and India, or you can say ingenious. Okay, that is what. That's why you can see all our machine named Class I, Shell I, Blend I, all I. Every machine is an intelligent machine, and definitely from 60% to 100%, we have complete process automation, product automation, plant automation. All the three integrated in our machine. Our every machine which can be, accommodate to any of the these circumstances. That is what, and that's why we say, your grain, our brain. Your grain, our brain. That is why we say, so we are the powerhouse of rice technology. Thank you. And now, I want to launch today the machines. It's called the IMOS, Intelligent Mill Operating System. What is the Intelligent Mill Operating System? So,
welcome to the...
No, I want to have an index presentation. Okay, 1 minute. Now, today we want to launch IMOS. Before that, I want to have a IMOS. This is the thing I told? Okay, so we want to launch IMOS intelligent mill operating system. Just I will take you 2 minutes of, please listen carefully, and it will give, once again, it will prove that why APIT is the powerhouse of rice technology. Please.
Welcome to the world of rice. Zillions of grains, billions of people, millions of machines, and yet a lack of real-time adaptability to different paddy types, a high dependency on manual skill and judgment, inefficient energy usage and inconsistent output, no grain-to-machine communication, quality loss in basmati and delicate varieties, and limited data or diagnostics to improve performance. These weren't just problems, they were the reasons, the spark for innovation. At APIT, we dare to challenge the norm, and today we rise with the answer. Introducing the New Gen Intelligent Series, built not just to process rice, but to understand it. Welcome to the future of intelligent rice milling. Today, in the digital era, food safety and security are not just priorities, they are expectations. The consumer is now the king, and the king demands complete intelligence about every grain of rice on his plate. He wants to know the paddy variety, the processing method, the nutritional value, the geographical origin, the traceability and yield performance. In short, he seeks grain intelligence from farm to fork. And it's this very demand that has shaped the future of rice milling, powered by APIT's Intelligent Series. At APIT, we believe the consumer is our first customer, and only then the rice processor. Our mission is clear: to empower our customers and their customers with complete intelligence of every grain they consume. We've built more than machines. We've developed a powerful platform where every layer of intelligence, every grain story is brought to light. From the soil it grew in, to the water it absorbed, the way it was harvested, procured, and processed. Introducing APIT's Intelligent Series of rice milling machines, the result of nearly a decade of research and innovation. Built on pillars of soil intelligence, water intelligence, harvest and procurement intelligence, processing and milling intelligence, grain quality and nutritional intelligence, cooking intelligence, consumer intelligence, all integrated into a single powerful platform we proudly call IMOS, Intelligent Mill Operating System. The most advanced ever built, the revolutionary I-Series. Come, let's take a powerful insights into the future-ready world of IMOS processing plants.
Thank you for your attention. So this is IMOS. Just, we are all, we are very intelligent rice millers here. And how IMOS is designed, you have to see this. The color index of any rice is very, very important. Today, we're going to show you the 6 successful mantras if you want to be an intelligent rice miller. I know you people, we learned from you people, but we put it in a very organized way, and that's how. First, you should know the color index. After the color index, as we explained, 6 colors are there, which kind of color you want to process. Then it comes to the drying index. The drying index will influence the softness of the rice, which your consumer will love. Okay? In our IMOS technology, we will going to define what is the color index you want, okay? What is the drying index you want. You can wish. Today, it's a very, very different. Today, whatever these parboiling and drying machines which is giving, you are taking. But in our IMOS system, what you say, that machine will perform whatever you want, okay? It will give, okay? Now, the hardness index, this is a very important factor. How many of you is really measured hardness of the grain in raw rice, steam rice, and in boiled rice in terms of RNR, in terms of JSR, in terms of IR64, in terms of BPT, in terms of other grains. So our IMOS system gives intelligently what is the hardness of the grain. Based on this hardness only, you have to give the amps or the load on the grain, which is defined by this hardness index. If you don't know the hardness index, you will get more. Today, Indian rice millers are getting the lowest yield because we don't measure hardness index. How many of you measure hardness index? Now, after the hardness index, the broken will happen in our whitener. So you want more polish. You will break the rice intentionally because you don't know the hardness index. Hardness index will impact on your whiteness index and polish and having some limitation. So you should know what is the hardness index. This hardness index, what is the maximum whiteness index it will going to give. That also you should know. Our IMOS system will going to provide these limitations and these alarms. That's why we say IMOS is the most advanced technology. Now, everyone wants this polish, silky, and I'm really, whenever I go to Miryalguda, I really see that, oh, what a crazy. One rice mill having four silkies. One of my Anna is having 5 silkies. I don't know why. So it's having base limitations. So trans index. So even I will tell you, you are consuming more power. We have done a research from IIT guys. They told that after second silky, you don't get any silky. The quality of Miryalguda, you people are getting antique finish. Even if you put 10 machines, same. So you should know what is the trans index. Now, after the trans index, yes, the quality will be defined in your color sorter, okay? So our IMOS system will going to give the quality index of the grain, which is ultimate, okay? The color sorter, you should know that how much, what is the harvest rejection it's going, what is the process rejection going. It's really we are getting. No machine is there to identify, classify. So someone has asked me, what is the use of it? I will tell you what is the use of the process rejections. Okay, process rejection you can reduce if you know the process index, the process rejection, the number or what is the value, okay? Finally, it comes to cooking index. The cooking index is very, very important. Today, I know Telangana is the best state to identify the cooking index. Yes, but still I can say, don't feel bad. Tamil Nadu is the best in terms of, evaluating the cooking index. The cooking index is very mandatory to reach the consumers. With all these indexes, which you can predict with small GMAD algorithm, that is gelatination temperature, moisture, age of the paddy, and density of the rice, which is why we call it IMOS. This IMOS technology is not just, just a machine. So a lot of intelligence built, and that's why we call it as IMOS technology. Do you want any more justification that why APIT is the powerhouse of rice technology? Yes, definitely. I know my rice millers will never going to accept that unless until we provide one plant in their plant and run, get the rice and show, Anna, Chudanna, idu ochindi. Still he will not. Okay? Anyhow, so this is the IMOS technology, and now based on these concepts, we launching these machines. Now we'll go for exciting phase of our machine launching, and I request, please visualize this. Probably no company in the world has arranged a launching event like this, and especially presentation like this. The upcoming presentation, you will going to visualize, and why we are saying, honestly, India is the biggest, the largest producer of rice, largest varieties of rice. What the knowledge we have regarding the rice that no country can have. Because we studied the research paper in University of Tokyo, then CFTRI, then others. We know we have a treasury. That's why please appreciate and acknowledge and, please accept our products. You will going to, really get kind of a profitability. It's sure, okay? Now let's go to the launching of our exclusive machines. So I don't want to launch myself these machines. Are you ready for the launch? Okay. I want to call, can I get a mic please? So just an idea, I want to call few of my customers, which they validated my machine. And just I request, whenever I call customer, we have 3 minutes of time for every launch, because time management, they are given time. Sir, you have to finish this. Otherwise, you keep on talking, okay? So can I get a mic, please? The hand mic? I request, okay, to launch first, we launch in section wise. The first section is the most cleanest section, the cleaning section. I request from Tamil Nadu, Rakhyappan sir and Doraiswamy sir, please. You have to come with me. It's an instant. Please, 2 minutes. So they are my customers since for many years. Okay. So they have given me a breakthrough in Tamil Nadu, and honestly, and these guys, they have really done their brands extremely good and their quality is extremely good. And thank you for coming here, sir. Sir, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
சார் நல்லா இருக்கேன் சார்.
ரொம்ப நன்றி இங்க வந்தீங்க. ஓகே. So how you are feeling, sir? எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க?
ரொம்ப எக்ஸலென்ட்டா இருக்கு.
So thank you. Thank you. Sir, ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் எதனா பேசலாம். So Rakhyappan sir is always really is a real criticizer of me and my products. If anything wrong, he will say, எடுத்துன்னு போயா machine நல்லா இல்ல. He made me correct many times when I did wrong. My first gel cook, really lot of problems, and Rakhyappan sir is not only a rice miller, he's an innovator. We learned many things from him. Honestly, this is the stage. That's why I am calling Rakhyappan and sir, and Doraiswamy sir. So, sir, ninga tappa nencha venda. In my home, I always eat AD rice mill rice. That's called Rettikalai brand. Sir, ஏன்னா அவர் எனக்கு ஃப்ரீயா அனுப்புறாரு வீட்டுக்கு அதனால. So thank you very much sir. So sir, இப்போ ஒரு எங்க மெஷின் லான்ச் பண்ணலாம். Are you okay?
Okay sir. Yes sir. Okay sir.
உங்க கையில லான்ச் பண்ணனும். Okay, you have to say 1 2 3. Please come here sir. Please come here. Please, this is the most innovative way of launching. Okay, you both has to tell 1 2 3. Okay, so you can blank out.
1 2
இல்ல நான் சொல்றேன் சார். 1
1
2
2
3. Guys, APIT guys, you have to clap and invite these machines. Come on, cheer up.
From dusty and contaminated harvest paddy to crystal clean paddy. eliminates all impurities from grains. Eliminate the stones from every gram of grains.
This is the cleanest pre and fine cleaning solutions from APIT. So do you want more proof that APIT is the powerhouse of rice technology? Sir, please. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for launching our machines. So, chumma launch pandu kuda sir, ipo advance kodukunu enake in the 3 machine ke. Please, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay. So, now, the next section will be the gentle hulling will going to give you the more yield in your rice. So I want to call gentlemen. I don't know because I have not seen few gentle customers I have. From Tamil Nadu I call now. Sorry, just I will pick very quickly. Kishore Anna, Ostava. Murli sir, Surya Teja is there? I don't know. I not seen. Okay. Rana. Venkanna. Unnara? Please. Randy. Sinana. Ra. So, Kishore sir is running a company called Lalit Innovation Food Technology. After APIT, really, after setting up APIT plant, his life has been transformed. According to me, Anna, ni life change kaledu APIT vachin tarvata abaddam cheppudu.
Alochanato marindi.
Okay, it's not a joke. Really, is a very good. Anna, please. Sinanna, thank you. Na minda nee kopam undi.
Emi ledu.
Unni parvaledu. So Venkanna, the great Einstein of the rice industry from Vajrateja. So he fine-tuned all my parboiling and rice milling equipments. So thank you, Anna. Mere ikkada vachindaniki. Next section, okay? Manam launch cheyali. That's why, Anna, 1 minute lo nee opinion about APIT cheppali, please.
Planning is APIT, APIT is planning. మీకు కావాలి రెవల్యూషన్, ఇన్నోవేషన్ కావాలంటే APITతో మీ జర్నీని స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ APIT.
అన్నా, నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. నా మీద ఎన్ని కంప్లైంట్ ఉందో అన్నీ చెప్పు. పర్వాలేదు చెప్పు.
ఏం కంప్లైంట్ లేదు. ఏపీఐటీ 2 డ్రైయర్లు ఇచ్చాను, ఒకటి జెల్ కుక్కర్ ఇచ్చాను. 100 టన్స్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ మన దగ్గర అని చెప్పాడు. అది ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ నెల లాస్ట్ వరకు ఓపెనింగ్ కూడా అవుతుంది.
ఇప్పుడు వెంకన్న మాట్లాడితే ఐ హ్యావ్ వన్ కంప్లైంట్. వాట్ ఎవర్ వజ్రతేజ, దే సే దట్ వజ్రతేజ ఇస్ APIT company. Yes, absolutely. Vajrateja has given a life for APIT, and definitely we really proud that we set up a mega project, Vajrateja. Big round of applause for Vajrateja Rice Industries because their entrepreneurial risks really made them very big. I salute to Vajrateja promoters and especially Venkanna, the man behind the huge setup and a technical brain. మీరు ఏం చెప్తేను నన్ను మంచిగా ఏమి తిడతారు అని చెప్పుకుంటారు, నిజమేనా? తిడతారా మీరు నన్ను పొగుడతారా?
అంతే సార్.
ఓకే, సో అన్న ప్లీజ్ మీరు లాంచ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, కెన్ యూ గో బ్లాంక్? ఎస్, టేక్ పొజిషన్ ప్లీజ్. కమ్ టేక్ ద పొజిషన్. ఎస్ అన్న, 1 2 3 అనాలి మీరు, నేను అనకూడదు, మీరే అనాలి ప్లీజ్.
1 2
ఇది లాంచ్ అంటే
3 తెలంగాణ దెబ్బ.
Intelligent Paddy shelling with husk separation. Intelligent sorting of paddy from the blend of paddy and brown rice. Sorting rice by its thickness with high precision and consistency.
Thank you very much. Please, yeah, this is the most
game changer in rice milling sector is the APIT one and only.
Thank you,
Anna.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Venkana. Yes. Yeah. Now we will going to launch the powerful section of rice industry. Many disputes, many controversies, many things has really in this section. Today, this is the time to make it clear that the rice milling technology is reaching the next level. The next section is polishing section. The APIT consistently doing a lot of innovations in the polishing section. That's where you can really preserve the nutrition and really give the head rice yield to all the rice millers. By preserving the nutrition, giving the head rice yield is the biggest task. Today, we are squeezing out and we are pushing humanity really to the danger stage. If we don't preserve the rice nutrition, really I'm very sorry, we don't have any rights to rice mill. I'm sorry, I say once again, Manamu, Yavaru rice millers unnamo, this is our prime responsibility and we are the main responsibility for the health of a consumer. Please, we are bringing such kind of a technology and we have a measurement machine also. What is the degree of nutrition you have in your rice? Please think at least 10% about nutrition. Based out of nutrition. Today, all these years, we respect the innovators of rice mill industry. Definitely, all these years, we are selling on glamour way. Now onwards, we have to sell on glamour plus character way. Rice is having two things, glamour and character. By combinedly, we're going to sell it. So that's kind of the powerful polishing section we will going to launch. For this launching of powerful polishing section, I will invite two most powerful rice millers. One rice miller is most powerful in Karnataka and one more rice miller is most powerful in Telangana, but accidentally or incidentally both are from Telangana. I love to invite my guru Manchikonda Narsimhanna, please on the stage, and Yadagiranna from Telangana, please on the stage. You both are powerful. Please come to launch my powerful polishing section. Anna, Randy, please. Why I say this, when I came to Miryalguda first time, why all these Teja? Early morning nowadays it's practice for me. Surya Teja, Vajra Teja, Maha Teja, Ari Teja, Sai Teja. Really, it has become mantra for me, okay? And the founder of Mahateja and now Vajra Teja. So Manchikondanna is very powerful in Karnataka in terms of rice processing. Anna, so thanks for coming for this event. Thanks for blessings. So, ela feel chestunnaru na event? Ela undi meer cheppali? Akkada cheppali, నాకు కాదు.
ఈవెంట్ చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్ మీరు ప్లాన్ చేశారు. ఏ ప్లాన్ చేసినా కానీ ఏ వర్క్ చేసినా చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ప్లాన్ చేస్తారు. ఈవెంట్ చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అయింది. మీరు కూడా సక్సెస్ కావాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం భగవంతుని.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Yadagiranna is my brother. Always Miryalguda says, Shashi, Yadagiranna ante okay, em cheptanu intaru. Annem chepte nenu intanu, nenem chepte annu intaru.
Correct. Anna, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇవాళ గ్రైన్ లెవల్వేషన్ నేనంటే తెలంగాణలో వజ్రతేజ కట్టినప్పుడు మా పెద్దలందరూ కూడా ఈడు సక్సెస్ అవుతాడా కాదా అనుకుర్రు. వజ్రతేజ తర్వాత మా పెద్దలు నాగేందర్ గారు వచ్చారు, దేవేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు వచ్చారు. రైస్ ఇండస్ట్రీ తెలంగాణ ఎంత డెవలప్ అవుతుందనేందుకు అగ్రికల్చర్లో ఇది చిన్న ఉదాహరణ. అలాగే ఏపీఐటీ కూడా అలాగే డెవలప్ అయింది. కాకపోతే చిన్న కష్టాలు ఉంటాయి స్టార్టింగ్లో అన్ని బాధలు ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఎదుర్కొంటూ ఈ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చిండు. శశికుమార్ ఈజ్ ద బెస్ట్ టెక్నాలజిస్ట్ నేను చెప్తున్నా. ఎందుకంటే ఇన్నోవేషన్ నా వజ్రతేజల్ని నేను చూస్తున్నా. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఆటోమేషన్లో నడుస్తుంది. నేను ఇది గర్వంగా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే 2 years, నాకు కూడా 1 yearలో చాలా ఇబ్బందులు ఉండే. అలాగా చిన్నగా వస్తుంటూ ఇది 2022 ఓపెనింగ్ 3 సంవత్సరాలు అయిపోయింది. ఈ సంవత్సరంలో అంతా ఫుల్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా తీసుకొచ్చిండు. అంటే కొంచెం ఏపీఐటీకి ఒక్క వీక్నెస్ ఉంది, నేను చెప్పగలుగుతా. ఏపీఐటీ ఒక్క వీక్నెస్ని మార్చుకుంటే రవీంద్రనాథ్ గారు వచ్చిర్రు. ఓన్లీ లేట్ అనే మాట ఈ తెలంగాణలో వినపడుతుంది ఏపీఐటీకి. నేను సజెషన్ చేస్తున్నా, ఎందుకంటే మీకు మంచి ఫ్యూచర్ ఉంది ఏపీఐటీకి. ఫ్యూచర్ కావాలంటే టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉంటేనే తెలంగాణ సక్సెస్ అయింది. ఎందుకంటే తెలంగాణ రైస్ ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఇండియాలోనే తెలంగాణ రైస్ మార్కెట్, ప్యాడీ మార్కెట్ ఉంది. తెలంగాణ ఇలా దేశంలోనే అత్యధికంగా ప్రొక్యూర్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఎందుకంటే మాకు ఆదర్శంగా దేవేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు వచ్చారు, సార్ నాగేందర్ గారు వస్తారు. కాబట్టి ఇంకా రెవల్యూషన్ తీసుకొస్తారని నాకు నమ్మకం ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే వీళ్ళందరూ వస్తేనే మాకు ఎమ్మటి వస్తుంది. అన్న మోహన్ రెడ్డి అన్నుండు, ఇక్కడ రామ్మూర్తి గారు మొత్తం తెలంగాణ ఇండియా మొత్తం అమ్మగలుగుతారు. సారే ఆదర్శం అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే నేను చెప్పబోయేది ఏపీఐటికి ఒకటి. శశికుమార్ గారు నాకు శ్రేయభిలాషి బ్రదర్ అన్నాడు, ఒకటే టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఇది ఒక్కటే చెప్పగలుగుతున్నా, టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేస్తే ఏపీఐటీని కొట్టేది లేదు ఉండదు అనేది రైస్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్లో. అంతవరకు అయితే నేను నమ్మకంగా చెప్తా. టైం లేకపోతే ఎవరిని కొట్టలేం, టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉండాలి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న.
ఇది ఒక్కటే నా సజెషన్.
నీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ని మేము తీసుకుంటాము. నాకు చెప్పొద్దు, ఆర్ఆర్ఎన్ సార్ చెప్పు, మా రవీంద్రనాథ్ సార్
చెప్తున్నా. రవీంద్రనాథ్ గారితో ఫస్ట్ నేను ఏజీఐ మిల్టెక్ సైలోస్ ఇచ్చింది రవీంద్రనాథ్ గారితో మా ఫస్ట్ డీల్. కాబట్టి నేను ఎందుకంటే ఉన్నాను. టైం మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉంటే 100% సార్ తెలంగాణ సక్సెస్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
లెట్స్ లాంచ్ అన్న. 1 2 3 అని చెప్పాలి. లైట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఉండు, నేను చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. 1 2 3.
1 2 3.
Achieve your desired level of whiteness with high precision white eye. Attain perfect glossiness with unmatched precision.
Thank you. This is the most glamorous polishing section and powerful polishing section. Thank you, Narsimhanna. Thank you, Adigiranna. Okay, we are really blessed to have here. Thank you, Anna. Now, so most interesting thing, we have to tell that this polishing section, today, whatever the polishing section we have, is a mechanical polishing sections. This is not a mechanical polishing section. This is electronic polishing section. How it is? Just I'll going to tell you. This is the white eye. The operations I'll going to explain you. Now you need not to give you need not to see what is the polish is coming, X, Y, Z, all those kind of things. It's everything is in your fingerprint. So the moment you open our HMI, it comes happy milling because you have to be happy. That's how the logo will visualize. Then you have to choose your grain. It's very, very important. You should know that what is your grain. You can click on, then all the varieties in your rice mill, we will going to program it and we will give it to you. And if you select the grain variety, then it will going to ask the next from our database, it will going to give what is the physical properties, what is the nutritional properties from the database. We have built almost 5,000 databases across the running varieties. After this, you can select the process. The process is whether it is the raw rice process or parboiled process. In parboiled process, whether it is a half-boiled process or eco-boiled process or super-boiled process. Usually super-boiled we mention for Tamil Nadu. Okay, so any one process you can select. Based on the process selection, even you can select the super aging. This is made for our rice industry, and that's nothing but steam rice. Okay, you can select the steam rice process. Once the grain is selected, then you have selected a process. Now, you are going for, you have to put very, very two key inputs. What is the moisture of the brown rice that you are processing, and what is the age? It will going to give you a clear, the database in the future. After that, we have a 2 test run mode and as well as the load run mode. In the test run mode, you can check all the equipment there, whatever it is having motor, pressure motor, stepper, pneumatic slide gate, camera, proximity sensor, lot of things. And if you want to see the motor, what's the make, what is the model, what is the number, how many hours it has run. So everything, the database inbuilt in your HMI only. So we can run our whitener in 2 ways. One is customized way and fully automated way. What is the customized way? So you can set alarms, okay, for all the things. You can set the alarms for wheel speed, shaft speed, whiteness index. The final one, I will tell you, the load on grain. The load on grain means you should know what is the hardness index of your brown rice. Based on that only, load on grain you have to put. Now, this is what the measure. You have to just put whiteness index what you want, whether you want to whiteness index 28, 32, or 36 or 40 with complete 3 whiteness or all those kind of things, it will make it. And the view, you can select any of the view settings, like whatever you want to see on the HMI, you can select. While it's running, the live data, it will give what is the wheel speed running, what is the machine chamber pressure, what is the shaft speed, what is the load on grain in terms of kgs, that also gives in terms of amps. Okay, that's how it will work. It's a wonderful electronic whitener. It is the revolution what we are making today. We launched it today. Please, and already we installed couple of machines validated, okay, in Telangana. In Telangana, I think customers are here. Vijay sir, unnara? Oh, hi sir, sorry, nen chudledu. Okay, my customer is here. He is running 3 whiteners and 2 polishers. We have given and already it's running. Okay, so you can witness, okay, real time. Okay, it's already validated in APIT and validated customer end, and so is there. Now, in the similar manner, our polisher also is electronic polisher. And today, I'll going to tell you, 1 minute, you can pause. Can you pause? Yeah. This polisher, we have a lot of, controversies. Everyone want maximum glamour. Today, I will going to tell you, according to our research, we have, IIT Tirupati guys, BTech guys, we are given an intern for around 8 people. They have done extensive research in Miryalguda, and we found that certain grains will not exhibit any silkiness or glossiness or more shiningness after certain point of degree of translucency index. So please don't waste the energy by putting 3 silkies, 4 silkies, 6 silkies. Okay, that's up to you. But we APIT will commit, promise, whatever the polish you want, we can give only 2 stage. Because we have measurement. The translucency measurement we have. Glossiness measurement we have. So, the first time in the history, we are classifying the polish in 3 ways. One is antique polish, number 2 is classic polish, the number is 3 glossy polish. Please, these 3 things you keep it in mind, go back to home and you see, apart from 3 polishes, you never find any kind of a polish. Either it should be antique, example of antique, whatever the Miryalguda people taking on steam rice is an antique. Whatever the Kerala people are taking boiled rice is an antique. Whatever the Tamil Nadu rice is without glassy is taking single boiled, double boiled rice is an antique. It's not shiny. Now, it's having more nutrition index. And one more, the classic, it is much, little bit higher polish rice that have an index. And then the glossy polish, it's more shining polish. We see this trend in West Bengal and Bangladesh. They see after the silky, after the sorter, they have one more polishing machine. After the sorter, because they need more polishing, okay, for the commercial value. This is what it is. Please don't do that. With our 3 whitener and 2 system, we can deliver whatever the whiteness index you want, whatever the antique polish. We don't give you much of the mirror finishing, okay? In the rice, I want to see my face. No, it's not possible. We'll give you, and my machine tells this is the maximum polish you can get. Okay, please play. Okay, it's only 1 minute. And see, can you go to the same thing? You have to automatically transfers machine to machine. What is the base whiteness index having in whitener? It is transferred to our, it will transfer to our polishing machine. It's a machine to machine communication. The data push it to this. From there, this machine will going to take the further polishing, and it will give 3 kinds of a polishing. We have, can I go to 1 minute, please? So, yeah, 1 minute. You can just write translucency index 0 to 1 and you can get it. Okay, now, please, pause. Our polishing machine having 3 polishing settings. One is antique and classic and glossy. Just you have to click, you have to press. That will going to give you a glossiness. So, 0 to 1 is an antique, 1 to 2 is a classic, 2 to 3 is a maximum glossy. The glossiness will be measured by the mirror. You can study the science, okay? So, the mirror, this thing, okay, based on that, rice can attain maximum 3 glossiness index. Based on that, we classified as the antique, classic, and the glossy. So, probably after 10 years or 20 years, I will going to see people will not call silky, and they will put the label, this is an antique polishing, this is a classic polishing, this is the glossy polishing. This will be going to the reality. Today, 23rd August 2025, I am saying, okay, I want to recheck on 23rd August 2035 whether it will be a reality or not. But it will be a reality, please, okay? So, thank you very much for the attention of this polishing. Please, you can go ahead. So, we can wind it off this polisher section. Now, yeah. So, we want to, yes, thank you, because it's the same electronic machine, so we don't want to spend much on the time. And this is the last section of our rice milling machines, and 2 more machines. After this section launch, we have one of the most fascinating machine to come. Please, I need your next 10-15 minutes attention. Now, the next section will be grading, sorting, and packing section. I like to call రామ్మూర్తి గారు, తమన్నా, మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు, ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్ టు లాంచ్ దిస్ సెక్షన్ ప్లీజ్. బికాస్ మీరే రైస్ ప్రైస్ ఫిక్స్ చేసేది. 25 years నుంచి చూస్తున్నాను నేను. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఈ లాంచ్ చేయాలి, ప్రైస్ కూడా మీరే ఫిక్స్ చేయాలి దీనికి. ప్లీజ్ అన్న, ప్లీజ్ కమ్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ లాంచ్ దిస్ గ్రేడింగ్, సార్టింగ్, ప్యాకింగ్ సెక్షన్. నా వెల్కమ్. సో ప్లీజ్, కెన్ యూ టేక్ ద పొజిషన్ ప్లీజ్? ఎస్, 1 minute only. Mic. So Ramurthanna, I know him since from my early days in Miltech, 2004, and you know, he's an inspiration for all the rice traders and rice this thing. Anna, thank you. Ikkada undedaniki, vachindedaniki, thank you very much. Okay, how you are feeling, Anna?
చాలా బాగా ఉంది. మీరు ఇన్నోవేషన్లో ఇలా మూమెంట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతే గ్రెయిన్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ కరెక్ట్గా తెలుసుంటే, గ్రెయిన్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ దాన్ని బట్టి మీరు ఇన్నోవేషన్ పోతున్నారు. దానివల్ల యూస్ఫుల్ ఉంటుంది, యాడ్ అవుతుంది, వాల్యూ యాడ్ అవుతుంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న. మోహన్ అన్న, హౌ యూ ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ అన్న?
చాలా బాగా చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు ప్రోగ్రామ్. మీ అపిట్ సందర్భంగా ఇక్కడ మీరు సైంటిస్టులు పిలిపించారు, అదేవిధంగా రైస్ మిల్లర్స్ వచ్చారు. రైతులకు మేలు జరిగే విధంగా, మిల్లర్కు మేలు జరిగే విధంగా మంచి మంచి కార్యక్రమాలు ఇంకా చేయాలి. ఇది వేదిక కాదు కానీ మరొక వేదిక సందర్భంలో నేను మాట్లాడతాను. మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న. మీరు లాంచ్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు ప్లీజ్. యా, బ్లాంక్ అవుట్. యా, ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ద పొజిషన్. ఎస్ అన్న, నా జతలో 1, 2, 3 అనండి, తెలుగులోనే లాంచ్ చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు.
1, 2, 3.
Achieve precise shifting in every direction. Intelligent lens sorting to the precision of micrometer. Precision sorting, powered by AI. Bond of blend with bag power.
This is the most precise grading, sorting, packing section. Anna, thank you. Ramurth Anna, thank you Mohan Anna for launching this. Okay. The next thing is that the most exciting machine. So, yes, we launched all the machines. This is very, very important. We launched all the machines. Someone is to judge that whatever APIT says, how it is. See, I can tell lie, I can fake it, or my salesperson may fake it, but we want to find a machine that can tell the truth in every grain. That is the kind of the machine we invented first time with the most advanced technology that is called the Rice Labs. Please, Keshav, this is the machine Rice Labs. You can see here, the right side, the machine is there and also it is kept there. Now, before this, now I want to just a logo, not the presentation, please. Logo, just logo. It's the most innovative machine. I don't want to tell much. My friend is here, Mr. Raghav Kashyap. I love to invite Mr. Raghav, please come on the stage. So he's the mastermind of AI, and we are the grain size experts, and please give, ladies and gentlemen, give a very big applause to Mr. Raghav. So Raghav, so welcome. Just a minute, I will bring a mic for you. Hey, this is the first time for you, and this is an event like this. So we are rice people, and how are you feeling?
Wow, for a minute, Shashi, I was really confused whether I was in the Worldwide Developer Conference at Cupertino, Apple, or whether at the APIT launch event in Telangana. So big round of applause once again to Shashi.
Thank you.
He's really brought innovation into a sector which, is very, historic in India, and bringing this innovation first time I'm seeing, so I'm very proud to be part of the event. Thank you for inviting me. But
so
congrats.
1 minute. So I want to put the logo of APIT and Qualitas. Mr. Raghav Heads is a CEO and MD of Qualitas. When we talk about rice quality, the Qualitas is our partner. And Raghav, please, how you see the AI in rice processing in the coming days? Before that, I want to tell few of my competitors already writing a social media blog. AI is overused word. I agree, but their hands up. I don't want to say the people who criticize us, AI is just a hype or this thing. After seeing this machine, you will come to know really what is the power of AI. Please, you can tell what is the future of AI in rice processing because you are an AI expert. Please.
Yeah. I've been in the AI industry for the last 20 years, actually. I have a master's in AI, and I have seen AI evolve. And to be honest, in the last, as Qualitas, I've worked in many industries. I have been to the factories of Ferrari in Maranello. I have been to the factories in Airbus in Toulouse, France, where they manufacture the Airbus, the final assembly. Near our homes, the currency press in Nanjangud, very advanced machine where they actually print the currency. But I've never crossed paths with agriculture because for some reason I thought agriculture was a very old technology, very manual. There's no, technology and agriculture somehow don't match. But today, when you approached me, when we talked about how you painted that vision, I found a very new world about how technology can really make an impact. India is one of the biggest, as you know, 130 million tons which is produced. And even a small percentage, even a small impact of technology, AI, can make a huge impact. And especially in something which, you know, your customers are the powerhouse of the feeding, they drive innovation in agriculture and feed India and the world, because India also exports 40%, I understand, of the rice. And so when it comes to AI and technology, I was very excited. Now, yes, it is true that many people are putting AI in almost everything.
Yeah.
In everything, right? I've seen it from the day that we have been, you know, in the industry.
That's the reason real AI users don't have value.
Yeah, so it is a really hyped word. And so for us, we don't actually talk about AI at all. We only talk about what benefits that come. It is like saying I use the internet to do some research. Yes, internet is a tool, it's a technology. AI is a tool, it's a technology. It's like using a screwdriver. That itself is not what the value comes. The value comes in how you use it. And I think what we're going to show is really an example.
So let's go. Let's
how
go for
it's
launch.
used.
And so I will introduce here. So we want to launch this machine. Guys, are you ready? So this machine, yeah. Yeah, 1 minute. Now, this machine will going to change the quality of Indian rice. This machine will going to change the quality of the rice because it will give, you know, already we are using scanners, CCD scanners as a quality. Most of the rice millers don't have. This is the more technical details on the Rice Labs website. You can visit, we will show you that. But this machine we want to launch because we are already running up time. Already they have told time's up. Okay, I will invite very, very special guest. Probably he never goes to any event. And he is my childhood mentor. And he's from my same town, from my same area. And it is the chairman of Bhagyalakshmi Group. They are doing around 1,200 crores of turnover in just consumer foods. Mr. Srinivas Gupta. So please come, sir. Please, you have to launch this because you are the person you told me how to see the quality in every grain. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you for coming here. Raghav, so he's the chairman of Bhagyalakshmi Groups. Yeah, so, so one more mic, please. Yeah, we can share this. Anna, how are you feeling?
See, till now, it was our problem, how to make everything perfect. Now we handed over all our problems to one company called as APIT. So we can sleep well, pay him the money, get the works done. What is our strength? Buying the right paddy and selling the correct location. That's all we understand. We understand numbers, we understand value. That's our strength, being the business community. Technocrats will bring add value, listen to them. Now we know it is proven, just buy, adopt, scale it up to this size. I want to tell you, when we started consumer packs, we were 1 ton a day. Now in consumer packs, we sell almost 5 lakh pouches a day. So to scale it up is our strength. Let this company do our problem and solve it so we can wish in other commodities, dal milling, flour milling, every our industry. So let us encourage this set of people so that our problems will be reduced or somebody so we'll peacefully sleep and run, make money in tons.
Yeah. So, Anna, so let's launch. Please, let's launch a video of grain analyzer. Okay. Sir, you have to say 1, 2, 3 officially. No, you have to say, sir. No, Raghav is my person.
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
2 minutes. We don't have time. Yes. So this is the rice labs, the UI UX. Now, the moment you start the dashboard, it will give a lot of analytics and live analysis, analytics, reports. Please scroll down. Tell us about grain, and it will give you reports like this and a lot of reports. Can you go to that, how to select this next? Tell us about grain. Yes, you have a sample, rice mill samples, select the variety, and and then select the process, which process the rice is done. Okay, next, you can select the testing parameters like batch, individual, dryer wise, bin wise, whatever it is, sampling. And also, one more feature. This is the machine, please pay. This analyzer will give machine-to-machine analysis, elevator-to-elevator analysis. That's one of the best this machine can do. And now, within this is called total mill analyzer. Within every hour, you will come to know what is the absolute, head rice yield you are getting, brokens you are getting, rejections you are getting, all the machines you can see to it. Okay? So the sampling techniques and all, so immediately if you give, though our database, again, we have a big database, that's how APIT is a powerhouse of technology. It can give the, yeah, please select morphological properties, GMAT properties, and next, then we can go to live analysis, please. Can you put some samples, please? Yeah. So now, there is a machine. I am putting, please, can you put sample, Pradeep? Prashant, can you do? Yes. Thank you. It's waiting for a process. Raghav, this is video analytics, right? So we have image processing technology in CCD, but this is a video analytics. If you put a sample, it will give the red, the good grains, bad grains, rejections, X, Y, Z. It's a paddy, it's a brown rice. That is the power of AI. And now, that's how Mr. Raghav shaped this machine with the power of AI. Okay? So, thank you. Can you generate a report, please? Yes. So, next you go to analytics, just analytics. After this, we can show the bar chart, or can you scroll down? Yeah. August 4, any report, just you can see. Yes. Yes, it will show what is the good rice, X, Y, Z, all this. Next, the reports. Yeah. Pick a date. So the report will going to be like this. Okay. So just show any one report you can show, no problem. Okay. It's generating, good. Okay. It will come this APIT Rice Lab, the location XYZ, parboiled, length, and it will give the whiteness index, trans index, and one of the fascinating thing that actually this machine can predict the cooking elongation, water uptake ratio. That is the power of our AI. It will going to be. It's a very, very magical machine that you can really never even imagine this machine can do. Okay? So, can you go to the Rice Labs website, please? Yes. Now, please, without this machine, you cannot run the rice mill. It's a sales pitch. You have to buy this machine from tomorrow itself. Okay? So, we are launching this machine from this website. You can go to APIT website. Then it's a Rice Labs. All the features has given because we are running time after time. Then you can go to the booking. This machine, even first time in the rice industry in India, we have disclosed this price. Go to the book boss. Scroll down. Yeah. This machine price is 9,99,000, just 5 rupees. Okay? So you can book it from today, and the delivery starts from November 5th. The minimum amount is 1 lakh rupee. You can pre-book it. Okay. Now, and this is the features: physical analysis, optic analysis, defect analysis, and cooking prediction. Please, from today onwards, you can book it. All the details in the website. And this is what I want to say. And thank you. And without this machine, no rice mill will run from next year. This is my expectation because we want to do business. Please.
Don't worry.
Yes. Thank you very much.
We'll pay full advance. Book it.
Thank you.
No, this 1 lakh business. Pay full.
Thank you. No, I have to deliver, right? It needs, I think, 1 month because it's a semiconductor. Lot of supply chain we have to align globally, and we have to do a lot of things. From November 5th, Kartika Purnami, from that day, we're going to dispatch even 100 machines. Please book now. Thank you very much. Anna, thank you. Raghav, thank you very much. We'll catch you up again. Okay, thank you for your time. Yeah. So now, I am coming to climax. So I told that why APIT is a powerhouse of technology, then I given a presentation, then I given an IMOS, then we launched all the machines, and we given the truth in every gain machine. Now, we're going to launch the most. Now, we are saying APIT is in parboiling, APIT is in drying, APIT is in milling, and APIT is in quality analysis, APIT is in everything. So, we are the only, I will not say only, yes, I have to say sometimes we are the only, yes, genuine end-to-end rice milling solution providers. Because we can provide you what is the color index you want, we can provide you what is the drying index you want, we can provide you what is the hardness index you want, we can provide you what is the whiteness index you want, we can provide you what is the trans index you want, we can provide you what is the nutrition index you want, we can provide you what is the cooking index you want, your consumer wants. That's why we say we are the powerhouse of rice technology. With all these ingredients, here a lot of youngsters are come. We know, I started my rice journey in Miltech in 2004. When I gone inside the rice mill, when I came out of the rice mill, it's completely powdered. And one of my friend is here, Rangadurai. Today I met him, I don't know, because I went his rice mill first time. I went inside, and when I came outside, so completely my body was painted with powder. We don't want that kind of a rice mills now. We don't want to see, we want to see next generation rice mills, and we designed, we built, and one of the biggest announcement of the day today is that we are building the I5 rice mills or rice processing unit, the most powerful unit in a most organized way. And I want to, already we are worked since from last 3 months. We have the customers also here, and I don't want to disclose the deal numbers. Now, from one of my customer, I will going to invite 2 customers here. After that, for a MOU signing agreement is there. Today to launch one from the Bihar. He is the biggest rice miller, and we know, he knows me since from the beginning. And also, I have not seen customer really. I have seen only 2 of his brothers, one, but I have not seen the big brother. Probably today he has come from the DN Agro. I want to launch this. Please have a look. This should be your future rice mill. We have done really very, very hard work for this. And I request Mr. Ripuraman from Ripuraj Agro, and so big brother of DN Agro. So please, sir, please come. Ripuji, please come. Deepak, भैया को लेके आओ. Sir, please come. How are you, sir? Thank you. How are you feeling? Fine. Good. Sir ji, आइए. Mic, 2 mics. Sir, welcome. Virendra ji. Thank you for coming, sir, all the way. Very nice. Please come, sir. One more mic, please. Yeah. रिपु जी, आपको कैसे फील कर रहे हैं आप?
राइस इंडस्ट्री में अगर कोई नया होता है वो APIT के थ्रू होता है, और आई थिंक शशि जी के द्वारा होता है.
ओह नहीं, इट्स अ टीम वर्क. अभी कितना लोग हैं?
अभी हम साउथ इंडिया में हैं, तो अभी जो ये नया रेजोल्यूशन हुआ है, आप ये मान के चलिए ऑल ओवर इंडिया में लॉन्ग ग्रेन शॉर्ट ग्रेन के अलावा कितना बड़ा मार्केट आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते. और ये मार्केट का एक पार्ट है, और 75% पार्ट तो भी बाकी है जो पूरा करना है आपको. लॉन्ग ग्रेन के लिए, और ये आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन साबित होगा जो आप अभी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं।
यस सर।
बाकी हम आपके साथ हैं, नया प्रोजेक्ट भी कर रहे हैं, पहले भी प्रोजेक्ट आपके साथ कर चुके हैं।
कितना अभी हमारा साथ आप ही अनाउंस कर लीजिए, मैं अनाउंस किया तो लोग गलत समझेंगे, वैल्यू मत बोलना भाई प्लीज। यस,
अभी हम लोग 50 टन पर आवर का 2 लाइन प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं APIT के साथ।
दिस इज वेरी बिग। He had not seen machines when we launched in 1 year back. He told that अगर मैं मशीन डालता हूँ, आपका ही डालता हूँ, 50 टन्स पर आवर, 20 टन का 2 लाइन और 10 टन का 1 लाइन ऑलरेडी हमारा साथ हुआ है। रिपू जी का बहुत बड़ा ये है। सो वी आर डूइंग फ्रॉम एंड टू एंड सोल्यूशन। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
वेलकम वेलकम।
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आप सर को देख रहा हूँ, वीरेंद्र सर को। और सर वीरेंद्र जी बोलिए, कैसे फील कर रहे हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं सर। एक तो सबसे पहले आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई। इस
बड़े भैया आ गया है। सो सर इज अ वेरी सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन इन and actually I will show you one video. He is running one brand called Anant. I never seen a rice miller will going to do a promotion of his rice mill. Actually I have a video, after that I will show you when we have other one ceremony. That's a very big, we are in the middle of the launching sir, after that I will show you. Sir, congratulations to you, and he is my customer. First he has taken only 2 dryers, after that he has taken 16-ton rice mill. Now, they are also planning 50-ton rice mill in Prayagraj, and we are giving. Sir, please, आप ही बोल दीजिए, अगर मैं बोलता हूँ तो गलत हो जाएगी।
एक्चुअली दिसंबर में हमने एक प्लांट स्टार्ट किया था, और शशि सर की वजह से वो हमने विदिन 3 और 4 मंथ्स में हमने वो प्लांट स्टार्ट कर दिया। नाउ वी आर ऑर्डरिंग 16 टन पर आवर, and now I'm going to 50 ton per hour single line.
Thank you sir, thank you.
In Prayagraj.
Sir, thank you, फिर मिलेंगे। Thank you very much. ये वीडियो के बाद में, okay, so just sir इधर करिए। Yeah, so please, this is a very very interesting video. I think all of you has to take. This is designed for 50 ton total end-to-end solutions. Blank out. Please play the video.
Welcome to the future of rice milling. Welcome to the next generation i5 rice processing unit, where super complexity meets absolute simplicity through automation, intelligence, and unmatched precision. Every journey begins here. Grain-laden vehicles arrive at our automated weighbridge, ensuring transparency and accuracy in every grain received. Powering this mega facility is a dedicated grid with high-capacity transformers and backup DG sets, guaranteeing uninterrupted performance every second, every day. At the Paddy receiving station, precision takes over. Advanced cleaning systems remove impurities, moisture, contamination, and foreign particles are instantly measured and displayed digitally, ensuring total visibility at every stage. Next, paddy flows seamlessly into our continuous harvest dryers before being transferred into day storage silos equipped with intelligent grain management systems. Bulk silos here are more than storage, they are climate guardians. Ambient temperature and humidity are carefully maintained. Whether stored loose or bagged, paddy rests in perfect, protected conditions. From silos, paddy may move to our advanced parboiling lines or the super aging section, where each process continuous or batch, is fully automated, ensuring consistency and superior grain character. Secondary cleaning units support every line, while our state-of-the-art super dryers deliver optimal drying, preparing grains for the next crucial stage. After drying, paddy is transferred into moisture stabilization silos. Here grains heal, cracks are repaired, structure is strengthened, and quality is perfected, naturally. The heart of the revolution, the IMOS rice mill unit, where paddy transforms into brown rice and brown rice to the desired polish levels. Here, intelligent machines handle sizing, sorting, and grading, while machine vision technology ensures real-time quality checks with absolute precision. Every kernel is verified before moving into the fully automated packing section. Rice, refined to perfection, ready for markets worldwide. Orchestrating this grand process is the Central Process Commanding Center, a digital brain that monitors, analyzes, and fine-tunes every stage in real time. Completing the cycle is our sophisticated rice analysis lab. Here, paddy, brown rice, white rice, bran, and every byproduct undergo comprehensive testing. Real-time insights flow back into the system, fine-tuning processes for ultimate efficiency. Even byproducts are treated with precision. Our underground pneumatic conveying system carries husk directly to the husk room, airtight, anti-fire, and dust-free. Husk is pressed, packed, and seamlessly transported to the automated boiler section, where steam flow, pressure, and energy output are digitized and displayed live. And finally, from this advanced facility emerge goods that are not just packed, but perfected. Every bag carries with it strength, quality, and the promise of prosperity. This is more than rice processing. This is happy milling. This is the i5 Next Generation Rice Processing Unit, a revolution redefined.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। कैसे लगा सर आपका राइस मिल? कैसे लगा आपका राइस मिल? थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। प्लीज। So thank you for your patience and to know all our rice products and rice mill about this. And finally, I want to, because now all these days we were only parboiling rice mill company and our website was not updated. And now, today onwards, we are live. Please go to the new website, promo, and just last 1 minute. Yes. Yeah. This is our website. So now our website is live. You can find all the details in our live website. Okay, everything is provided. Every detail is provided. Please. apit.co.in. So this is our website. Please, every detail has given, every machine details is here, including from Paddy intake to the grain analyzer. And please order grain analyzer from today itself, so I can deliver on 5th of November, 5th of November. Thank you very much. Thank you for bearing me in the last 41 hour, 30 minutes. If I have really got you bored, sorry. Okay, once I got mic, I'm uncontrollable. Thank you for witnessing this grain revolution. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
That was a lovely and an amazing presentation by Shashi Kumar Garu. Can we have a huge round of applause? And hope you have witnessed a very special, unique, innovative launch of our new products from APIT. So, naku telisi never before, ever after, inta unique ga product launches cheyadam. So that credit goes to APIT, and thank you all so much. Thanks to each and every personality, those who have come onto the dais and participated in the grand launch. So launching aithe ayipindi. So for all the new products, can we have a huge round of applause, please? So very innovative ga, unique ga, extraordinary latest technologies though. And these products are not just like any other products in the market. I am sure, definitely, these products anni entire rice milling sector ne next level ki teeskelle products ivanni. So congratulations to APIT, and I hope ఇవి మీ అందరికీ లాభదాయకంగా అవ్వాలని అండ్ మీ అందరి సపోర్ట్ ఇలాగే ఉండాలని హార్ట్ఫుల్గా కోరుకుంటున్నాము. సో ఏఐ పవర్డ్ రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ మెషిన్స్ని లాంచింగ్ అయితే చేసుకున్నాము. ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అన్నీ చూడాలి, ఆ మెషిన్స్ అన్నిటినీ చూడాలి అని ఎంతమందికి అనిపిస్తోంది కదా? అందరికీ అనిపిస్తోంది, నాకు కూడా అనిపిస్తోంది. సో ఆ అన్వీలింగ్ కూడా వెరీ సూన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అన్వీల్ ఆర్ న్యూ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. సో కొంచెం సేఫ్ వెయిట్ చేద్దాము. బట్ బిఫోర్ దాట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ మిస్టర్ శక్తి మల్లిక్ గారు ఫ్రమ్ సిడ్బీ SIDBI. So sir is here along with his team. I think we should give a huge round of applause. So thank you so much, sir, for your presence. All right, so moving on to the next session, I'd like to request Ravindranath Ramaya garu, Chairman APIT, onto the dais to share his valuable words. So let's give a huge round of applause for sir.
Good evening, namaste, namaskaram, namaskara, vanakkam. Last 1.5 hours was mesmerizing. I don't think anyone in India has done this kind of a product launch event. This is unbelievable, according to me. Thanks to Shashi, it is all his brainchild. And thank you so much for your wonderful product presentation. And the products, what you have unveiled, is also mesmerizing. Trust me on this. So Shashi has shown you the future. I would like to start with the past. Koddiga history lo podama? Koddiga history lo. Okay, so India, 1960s, India had two problems. Rendu problems in India lo. Okkati, aftermath of Indo-China war. Of course, we have lost it badly. The other one was food shortage. There was starvation, there was hunger, there was a lot of deaths. That was the situation where we were in 60s of India. So that time, the then governments started a caption called Jai Kisan, Jai Jawan. They wanted to do a green revolution. They wanted to improve yields of paddy being grown in the Indian market. So they requested the farmers of India to adopt to high-yielding hybrid varieties of paddy cultivation. So they roped in Mr. Swaminathan to help the farming community to increase the yields and create a green revolution. And I would like to take this opportunity and thank all the farming fraternity of those times for bringing out of our hunger problem, starvation and deaths in India. On behalf of all rice millers, I would like to thank the farmers, and they deserve a big round of applause. So that was the first revolution called Green Revolution. Then I would like to take this opportunity and express my heartfelt congratulations to the rice milling community. We have grown paddy, but we did not have a technology. The technology available in 1990s were very absolute in India. Of course, there were technologies outside India, exorbitantly priced, and the Desi technology was not matching to those kind of performance requirements. So the rice millers have forced all the manufacturers to make better machine, and they have modernized almost 20,000 rice mills out of 35,000 rice mills in the last 25 years. I would like to take this opportunity and congratulate all of you who have modernized rice mills and saved process loss and increased economy of India. Thank you so much, millers. Of course, we did play a part. So as a manufacturer, we made machines, we assisted all of you to go for modernization, and our machines have been successful. We have installed, as Rajendran said, we have installed more than 15,000 rice mills. We have helped the millers to modernize, and we played our bit in that. And believe me, I'm not going to take much time. It is already getting late. So just this modernization concept, if you want to understand this clearly, we need to look at some numbers. So what has happened in the last 25 years is all of you put together all over India have invested more than 7,500 crores of rupees in this modernization concept. That's close to $1 billion, okay? And what has happened because of the modernization? You need to understand this in value terms. So all of you put together could save a process loss amounting to approximately around 1,000 crores per year. Mind you, the investment is over 25 years and the returns are per year. Every year, the rice milling fraternity could save thousands of crores of rupees just by reducing process loss, just by reducing breakage. And we have also helped all of you to increase commercial value for the rice trade. Before 90s, rice mill was not considered as an industry, okay? Post-modernization, of course, you got yourself a dignity in rice processing. You could consider yourself as an industry, and you bought that commercial value for the business. And the commercial value, the delta of rice price from low polished unscientific methods to better polishing, yielded 2,500 crores of profits for the rice milling community. Of course, for India, as a nation, you all helped $1 billion export possibilities from India. In 1998, the export predominantly was based on basmati rice, and we used to export around 3 million tons of rice. Now that has gone up by 10x as we speak. So it's $1 billion trade from India. And this is the value proposition, what you have created in your rice mills in India. This is not a small achievement. I would like to sincerely thank all of you once again for having done this feat. So we did the first revolution, we assisted you, we played our part. And then I would like to take a pause here from the presentation, and I'd like to narrate something which is interesting. So as you are all aware, we founded Miltech, me and Rajendran. We did wonderfully well in the business. Some of you might have this doubt, why these people started Miltech, scaled it, sold, and again what they're doing with APIT. I'm sure some of you might be having this kind of a doubt. Of course, we did very well in the business, and we had a lot of private equity guys, in the business. They wanted to exit, and we had an opportunity to go public. Our documents were ready to go public. In the meanwhile, there was an interest from a strategic partner to acquire 100%. They offered a price which we could not turn down. We sold the company happily. We made money, no doubt in that. Okay, we were happy. We thought we are retiring. So this has happened in 2022. We thought, we are going to lead a happy, retired life, spend time with the family. Then one day, all of a sudden, out of nowhere, Mr. Shashi Kumar arrived at my office. So he said, you are retired, you still have a little more energy, why don't we work together? I said, no, I am not interested. I am not interested in making machinery. Why you want me to make a machinery at APIT? I have done that for 25 years in Miltech. Why do you want me to do the same thing again and again? I am not interested. So these meetings were happening 2-3 times. Then I wanted to get rid of him. I told him one day, I won't make an investment in your company if you are not making something which nobody has done it so far in the world. Okay? Idea was just to tell him, go away. Okay? I'm not making an investment. So he came and he presented a blueprint. I was mesmerized. Whatever you saw in last 1.5 hours, this is what is the concept he has presented to me and Rajendran. Then he has invited us, since you have an experience in milling section, why don't we join hands and do a second revolution in rice milling? Trust me, this revolution is going to be bigger than the past revolution in rice milling industry. I'm sure all of you watch for this because you have seen all the details. And what is it going to be in the next 25 years in rice milling in India in terms of value? Of course, together as a rice millers, you may have to invest around 10,000 crores. The number is wrong here. You may have to invest around 10,000 crores. Why? Because you have a possibility to gain 2,000 crores per year if you retain the nutritious value on the rice, and if you pitch this as your sales proposition for your trader, for your consumer. Ramurthy Garu is here, he will agree for this. If you commit, my rice has got so much of nutrition and this is my price, I'm sure he's going to give you premium for this. Tell me, sir. Okay, now, the characterization of rice. Rice is being sold as a commodity today, like iron, like steel. You know, there is no quality. I make this steel, you buy. I make this rice, you buy. From now, from today, that is getting changed. I want all of you to go and commit to the rice traders and the consumers that my rice processed in my mill will give you volumetric expansion of so much, X value. It can be 1.6 times, it can be 1.7 times. I'm sure, you know, with APIT process, we are 20% higher than any other equipment manufacturers across the globe. We can guarantee you that volumetric expansion of the rice processed in APIT mill is at least 20 to 25% higher than any other mill anywhere in the world. Okay? And the quality you're seeing, you know, the rice labs, you can commit them. The nutrition, the breakage, the whiteness index, the translucency, whatever you want, you measure. And this can give you, you know, elevator to elevate measurements. You can analyze whatever, you know, process losses you are incurring, take actions, take necessary steps, cut down all these losses and make money. This is what Shashi was telling. We want to give you a character to every rice grain being processed in APIT mill, and we want to create a wealth for our customers, which is all of you as a rice milling fraternity. How do we do that? Just think a minute. Your mills, as of today, as we speak, is a reactive mill. Okay? The process is human dependent, error prone, and it is blind. Your profitability of your mill is not decided by you as a owner. Sorry to say this. Your profitability of your mill is decided by that operator who is running your batch of paddy today. Trust me on this. Okay, I've seen this many times, many mills. And we are going to convert this. How do we do that? We are going to give you a futuristic milling option, which is intelligent, adaptive, and it is responsive. It's not reactive, it's proactive. That's what we are going to give you. We are going to convert. So what we are trying to do, Shashi has explained this very carefully. Okay, I don't want to repeat. What we know at APIT is the science about the grain. We have approximately around 12,000 rice varieties being grown in India in different areas, different quantities. We know the characteristics of each and every rice grain, what is being grown in India, and some of the grains which is grown outside India. What we are going to do is, we are going to analyze with the help of all, supporting institutes like IIT, Tanjavur Institute, NIFTEM. We know at what thermal science it is required to give you a particular color index. So that is what we are going to incorporate, and we are going to use our engineering capabilities, and we are going to focus on process science. Here I would like to tell you, nenu oka maata cheppali meeku andariki. Anni machines bagane untayi, milling machines. There is nothing which is superior, there is nothing which is bad, inferior. Every machine is good. Anni machines baguntayi. Ye company తీసుకున్నా బాగుంటాయి. Machines కావాలా ఎవరి దగ్గర కొనుక్కోండి. Nobody is focusing on the process. ప్రాసెస్లో ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా మాట్లాడుతున్నారంటే అది ఈ రోజు నుంచి APIT ద్వారా మొదలైంది. This is the change, this is the revolution what APIT is creating. Okay, so the norms are going to get changed from today. So we are going to apply the process science. We are going beyond machine making. Of course, we make good machines. Our machines is as good as anybody else's machine. But we are not stopping there. We are going into the process. So that's what is our strength. And we are going to use AI, ML, LLM, whatnot. So our experts are there. They have explained you. And people are talking a lot of things about AI and ML. You are seeing that, whatever we are delivering, this is an amazing stuff. World is changing very fast. Trust me on this. last 100 years, whatever technological advancements we have seen, all that and much more is going to happen in next 5 years. Just by adopting AI as a technology. It is going to impact every one of us. It's going to touch all our lives. Trust me on this. And then we are going to change the process parameters. We are not going to give you, this is the output, this is the load, this is the amps, what you are getting, this is your energy consumption. We are going to talk on color index, drying index, hardness index, whiteness index, translucency, okay, and whatnot, nutrition, okay. These are all the values what we are going to offer to you to adopt in your mill. We are going to turn your process of milling into a magic. Okay? How we do? First of all, we focus on data acquisition. See, AI and ML will work only if you have enormous amounts of data. When people say AI is not applicable, of course they don't have a data. At APIT, that's the advantage. That's the entry barrier. Nobody, as of today, at least in India, ఎవరి దగ్గర మొత్తంగా డేటా లేదు. పార్బాయిల్ నుంచి ప్యాకింగ్ దాకా ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉన్న డీటెయిల్. కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ మిల్లింగ్ మిషన్ మాత్రం చేస్తారు, కొన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్ చేస్తారు, కొన్ని పార్బాయిలింగ్ చేస్తారు. మొత్తంగా ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ చేసే కంపెనీలు లేవు అసలు. ఎవరు అందరూ అన్ని ఎక్విప్మెంట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మాత్రం డేటా ఉండేదానికి సాధ్యం. దట్స్ వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్. వీ హ్యావ్ దట్ అండ్ వీఆర్ అడాప్టింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ మిషన్ విషన్స్, quality and safety standards. I'm going little fast because it is time. So the future is, from today, APIT is creating a new normal for rice milling industry. Okay? You can't have a rice mill saying that mine is a 4-ton mill, mine is a 8-ton mill, mine is a 10-ton mill. Those days are gone. You have to work on your plant as a whole, remove all the bottlenecks, and you have to have a traceability. Traceability is going to be an important parameter going forward, and a nutritional value, committing on a nutritional value is utmost important for your business. And the business, when it is driven by analytical data, you will make a lot of money. You will not lose money, take it from me. And also you will take care of sustainability. The new standard, what we are setting up, is not starting at your rice mill. We are setting up a new norm for all the equipment manufacturers. Every machinery manufacturer chestunnaro rice mill ki, koi bhi machinery manufacturer jo bhi kar raha hai India mein, uske liye new normal set kar raha hai. Uska machinery soil intelligence se work karna hai. वाटर क्वालिटी देखना है, कौन सा रिवर का वाटर यूज किया, कब हार्वेस्ट किया, ओके, वो सभी इंटेलिजेंस लेना है. और आपका जो भी प्रोसेस है ब्लाइंड प्रोसेस, उसको इंटेलिजेंट प्रोसेस में बदलना है. और ये रेवोल्यूशन हम लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हैं आपके लिए. एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ वट एवर वी आर अचीविंग. One closing thought I would like to make. This is a Desi company. APIT is an Indian company. Desi, 100% Desi company. We are making an Indian rice milling fraternity very, very proud. Of course, we need all your support. On a closing note, I would like to borrow what Mr. Srinivas Gupta has told. He told me, our strength is there in scaling up the business. Our strength is there in procurement of paddy. Our strength is there in selling rice. Why the hell, I should bother about my process problems? Okay? On a closing thought, I would like all of you to list out all your process problems. Give it to us. Invest money. Give it to us. Focus on your business. Catch hold of Mr. Ramurthy Garu. Sell more and more rice to him. Catch hold of good farmers. Buy good variety of rice. Leave all the problems with us. We will be the most efficient Desi company going global in a big way. Thank you very much. to inform all of you that this is the time for unveiling all the machinery, whatever you have seen on the video. The machines are available for all of you. We are going to unveil. You can have a look and feel the machines, have a touch and feel, and give us the feedback. Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. సో ది మోస్ట్ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ మెషిన్స్ ఏవైతే మనం లాంచ్ చేసుకున్నామో అది ఇప్పుడు అన్వీల్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీబడి జస్ట్ గో హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్. దయచేసి అందరూ వెళ్ళి ఆ మెషిన్స్ని చూడవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. సో మెషిన్స్ అన్వీల్ అయ్యాయి, ఇక్కడే ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఇంకొక 5 minutes అందరినీ ఇక్కడే కూర్చోవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. సో ఇట్స్ ఎ రిక్వెస్ట్. సో లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంట్మెన్, కైండ్లీ ప్లీజ్ బీ సీటెడ్ ఎట్ యువర్ ప్లేసెస్ ఫర్ 5 more minutes. దాని తర్వాత మీరు మెషిన్స్ని వెళ్ళి చూడొచ్చు. అండ్ నౌ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ మిస్టర్ దేవేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు, గంపా నాగేంద్ర గారు ఆన్ టు ద డయాస్ అండ్ గ్రేస్ దిస్ అకేషన్ ప్లీజ్. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్, రైస్ మిల్లర్స్, దయచేసి ఇంకొక 5 minutes కైండ్లీ ప్లీజ్ అలౌ us your time. బికాస్ ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని విజయవంతం చేయడానికి ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి ఆర్ డిగ్నిటరీస్, అతిరథ మహారథులు, వాళ్ళ మాటలు కూడా అమూల్యమైన మాటల్ని మనం వినే టైం వచ్చింది కాబట్టి కైండ్లీ ప్లీజ్ బీ సీటెడ్ ఎట్ యువర్ ప్లేసెస్. కెన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ద మైక్స్ ప్లీజ్? హలో సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
You want us to speak?
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
The meeting is already called off.
Yes, sir, but we would like to hear you.
So thank you for giving this opportunity. Please, మీరు అందరూ కొద్దిసేపు ఓపికగా ఉండండి, కొద్దిసేపు. Just it won't last more than 4-5 minutes. Having waited for so long, let us also acknowledge the great works done by them. So it is our duty to really thank them. They have chosen Hyderabad and Telangana as their venue for launching these global products. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ శశి గారు బాహుబలి సినిమా కంటే కూడా పెద్ద సినిమా ఇక్కడ. అంటే ది వే హీ లాంచ్డ్ దిస్ ప్రోడక్ట్, నోవేర్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ ఐ థింక్ ఎనీ మిషనరీ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరర్ హ్యాస్ డన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లాంచింగ్. ఐ రియల్లీ కంగ్రాచులేట్ హిమ్, ఆల్ హిస్ APIT team and all the background people who have done this. Really thank them and then congratulate them. సినిమా చూపిస్తా మామ అన్నట్టుగా మిషన్స్ కూడా చూస్తుంటే శశి విల్ బికమ్ ఎలన్ మస్క్ ఆఫ్ రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అని ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ అని నాకు అనిపిస్తూ ఉంది. శశి విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ బికమ్ ఏ ఎలన్ మస్క్ ఆఫ్ రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. వాట్ రవీంద్రన్ హ్యాస్ టోల్డ్ జస్ట్ నౌ, he saw Shashi about 2-3 years ago, then he wrote him off. I met Shashi only 3 years ago, first time in my life. Then I was convinced. Then later on I went to their factory. We had a meeting like this. Then in that meeting itself I told him, Shashi is going to reach newer heights in rice milling industry because the organization he has built up. It is the organization work actually. So he is leading from the front. And the way he is leading them from the front, I was really visualizing this success about 3 years ago. What Raghav has said about launching like a Cupertino or something like that iPhone, he has taken the rice milling industry to a next level. This level is really satisfying and really helps all the rice milling industry to really talk much better about their industry, because we are not just like a commodity now. We are a product. We are a distinctive product. Where we manufactured, how we manufactured, what process we really implemented. All this goes a long way for all of us to really be associated with APIT. And as a person from the industry leadership, I am telling these words. I am not as a customer, because I am a very small customer, and I am not talking about as a customer. I am talking about an industry man, a person who has led this industry for about 30 years. I really appreciate this kind of machinery, this kind of company should come into this rice milling industry and elevate our industry to the next level. And we are going to be really leading the world in rice milling technology, that's for sure. Because previously this machinery was leading was only Japan and then maybe some extent Germany and all. But in the next generation, as Ravindranath has said, next 5 years belongs to industry. from India only, and APIT is going to definitely lead a big role in this. And I really appreciate Shashi. The way he works, really mesmerizing, energy levels, ever smiling, ever available, always ready to resolve, always ready to improve, innovate, and go to the next level, unimaginable levels. What we are doing every year, iPhone, when we saw 4, 5, 6, 7, we thought next model will not have anything more, nothing more, but they have achieved everything. But Shashi, last 3 years, from the day of that super aging technology of the Paddy, to this rice milling technology, to the lab, what he has mentioned with Raghav, unbelievable. And there are going to be much more things to come in future. I really congratulate and wish APIT and all its team members, every one of them, really deserve a big applause from all of us. Give your hands together, please. Keep your hands together. They deserve this because our industry needs this kind of people to come in. And just like APIT, Chala mandi rice millers kuda, they have elevated their mills to the next level. When we went to Vajrateja, I was really shocked. I started a rice mill in 1980. And then what I saw in Vajrateja was unbelievable, being a rice miller myself. So they have a passion to do a thing much better, much bigger, much very quality type. So similarly, Nagendra has done one thing, Narsimhagar has done one thing, and then one more person in Siddipet. I have seen only few of them. I am not saying that many of them I have not visited, but what I visited, they have elevated the rice milling industry to the next level. Vajrateja, Mahadevi and Mahateja, and all those, even one Balnarayana in Siddipet, all of them have really taken the rice milling industry to the next level. They are investing huge amounts in technology, in process, in whatever Raghav is doing here. AI technology has nothing to do with the rice milling everybody was feeling. But the way AI technology is going to be used, machine learning, as Ravindranath said, data is available to us because data is acquired. Once the data is acquired, what is the bearing temperature? What is the bearing noise? That is the preventive maintenance is machine learning. What is the power consumption? Why it is taking more? At what percentage it is taking more? And everywhere process is machine learning and then artificial intelligence. This is going to rule in the future. And whatever we are selling today is nothing. Tomorrow we are going to really achieve higher margins by going into this technology-driven industry, technology-driven companies. They are going to elevate our industry into the next level. I really appreciate all of them. And I have no words. This Bahubali, so Taggedele, that is the movie dialogue I think Shashi has done. All of you proud. All of our industry proud. So I really congratulate him once again for this wonderful achievement. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
APIT CEO Shashikumar, Chairman Ravindranath, Co-Chairman Rajendranath, వాళ్ళందరికీ నా రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ తెలంగాణ అసోసియేషన్ నుంచి కంగ్రాచులేషన్ చెప్తూ 2016లో జెల్ కుక్కర్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ నాతోటే సూర్యతేజలో ఇనాగ్రేషన్ చేశారు. ఇవాళ 2025లో థర్డ్ రివల్యూషన్ అని కొత్తగా ఎస్ఎస్ రాజమౌళిని మర్పించి ఇవాళ 3 hours నాన్ స్టాప్గా నేను నా 20 yearsలో 4.5 years ఇంత కామ్గా నేను ఎప్పుడు కూర్చోలేదని సభాముఖంగా తెలియజేస్తూ ఫ్యూచర్ బాగా ఉండాలని, ఎట్లయితే ఏపీఐటి పవర్ బాయిలింగ్లో సక్సెస్ ఎట్లయిందో రైస్ మిల్లింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ కూడా అట్లే సక్సెస్ కావాలని కోరుకుంటూ ముగిస్తున్నాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్, మీ ఇద్దరికి థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్. అసలు నిజంగా బాహుబలితో కంపేర్ చేశారు. బికాస్ 3 hours ఆ మూవీని ఎంత ఎక్సలెంట్గా తీశారో, అలాగే ఇది కూడా 3 గంటల్లో ఇంత అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ ఈవెంట్ని మనం చూడడం జరిగిందనమాట. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిక్వెస్ట్ పళని ముత్తు గారు అండ్ అలాగే సత్యనారాయణ గారిని వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఎస్ సార్.
Usually MC, Master of Ceremony, will not do mistakes. Our small announcement has led complete kind of a disruption. That's good too. Okay, let them enjoy their time. And I request and I apologize the director of IIT Tirupati. Sir, please, your few words because we are running short of time. And I request you have to take my apologies and then You have to give an interview for at least 10-15 minutes. People are waiting there. Okay, and please, sir, Muthu sir and both. So you have to talk. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Shashikumar Garu. Thank you for this opportunity. Many of you may be wondering what is an IIT director doing here. At IIT Tirupati, we have identified food technology as one of our thrust areas at the institute. And to promote this area in our institute, Professor Raghuram, former director of CFTRA, is there to mentor us. And he introduced Mr. Shashikumar to us. And from the first time I met him, the enthusiasm with which he's been driving it, the bold vision, he has to be the best in the world. I hope there are many more people in this country in the core manufacturing sector with that kind of vision. And then bringing in the whole process, starting from the science to the engineering, then to making the product and taking it to the market, and the whole value chain, starting from cleaning to processing to packaging, the whole thing, bringing the products in. I think this is a great initiative, and also bringing in the digital technologies. We talk about Industry 4.0 today, where we use sensors, collect data, analyze it, and then keep it up to date. And I had the opportunity to visit his facilities and also inaugurate their central control station, where they can monitor their plants anywhere in the world. I think it's a great initiative, and in a core area of rice milling, which is, when you look at the industrial setup, I understand they're near, depending on where I've read, 30,000 to 50,000 rice mills in this country, which need upgradation. With the labor shortage and all that, we have to automate. We have no other option. And we are glad that they're also sponsoring research. They have sponsored 2 PhD students at IIT Tirupati, and also a number of our students have gone and done internship with them. So building the relationship with the top academic institutions in the country, I think those are all great initiatives, and we wish them the very best as they grow forward. They are 10 years old. My institute is also 10 years old, and we hope to grow together. Thank you very much.
Good evening to all of you. Standing before your dinner, it's very difficult. Already it is more than, I think, 3.5, 4 hours. Many of you may not be knowing what is NIFTM is all about. National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. It comes under Ministry of Food Processing Industries. As a director from there, let me tell you, this institute had a history. 1967, we had only 6 modern rice mills. And all the research work was carried out in IIT Kharagpur, PPRC, that Paddy Processing Research Center, and CFTRI Mysore. Whatever the rice milling, the introduction of modern mills came from those areas. But we have a company today which talks, in the rice mill, they hardly talk about science. Only the making profit is the primary motto. And it is basically a family business. Nobody wants to learn many new things. But the things have changed recently because the margins are very, very narrow. And I know that the APIT, I'm from Bangalore, and from my University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore is very near to my university, their APIT manufacturing facility headquarters. When they visited a couple of years back, we really talked a lot of things, and especially they were impressed with our work on aging. At that time, probably they had a little idea, and I had been working for 30 years, not on rice. Rice I worked for about 4 or 5 years, and I left after my PhD. But no, scientists really is interested nowadays because we don't publish very good papers from doing research on rice milling. But these people have shown the door, where you can do research. And they themselves have done and proven it. And the kind of launch which you have seen, I have never seen in my life. You can launch a product which is known, well known already. Everybody knows about dehullers, polishers, and all cleaning machines, everything. But the way they presented today, really amazing. Congratulations to APIT, Shashi, and as well as his team. All those people who have really made Indians proud. I'm really sure that I think he wanted to start an rice milling academy, and we are in talk that we will establish in Niptam, Tanjavur. Our ministry also will be very amazed. I think we just missed World Food India is coming in this September 25, 26, 27, 28. I request APIT to put a big show in Delhi, because that is a place where many countries are coming. More than 1,000, I think in the last World Food India, it was about 1,800 companies participated, all big and small companies. You should be there, and you can really demonstrate your technologies. You can take this to next higher level. All the best to APIT. Thank you very much for inviting me here.
Thank you so much, IIT Palanimuttu garu and alage KS Satyanarayan garu. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, so with this we have come to an end of our event. So ఈ రోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని విజయవంతం చేయడానికి ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్క రైస్ మిల్లర్కి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో మా ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్గా ఉండి మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేశారు. వీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ద సేమ్ సపోర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ ఆల్, అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్ ఫర్ మేకింగ్ దిస్ ఈవెంట్ సో స్పెషల్ అండ్ సో సక్సెస్ఫుల్ విత్ ఆల్ యువర్ ప్రెజెన్స్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఆల్ ఆర్ లీడర్షిప్ టీమ్, అండ్ అలాగే ఎక్స్టెండ్ అ వెరీ స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఆర్ గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్స్, దోస్ who have been our supporters. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, thanks to APIT. So ee roju APIT presents Grain Revolution Global Launch, and this event is organized by G Media. Thanks to APIT for giving me this great opportunity to share this dais. Ee roju nannu kuda పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈవెంట్ చేసినందుకు ఏపీఐటీకి హృదయపూర్వకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ అమేజింగ్ మెషిన్స్, అండ్ అలాగే ప్లీజ్ టు హ్యావ్ యువర్ డిన్నర్. ఈ హాల్లో అంటే మన ఈవెంట్ జరుగుతున్న హాల్లో కాక్టైల్ అండ్ స్నాక్స్ అరేంజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది, అండ్ బాల్ రూమ్లో డిన్నర్ అరేంజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ జాయిన్ us. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ యాంకర్ వైశాలి signing off. Thank you.